the Moroccans, they are from
African.
Africa. And Africa, we support them. We are supporting. Or maybe a statement making is they thank the Moroccans and the Arab world. So be any because you Danyamia say me boy. Yeah, in Ghana, we Danyamia say my victory. And also the Arab world now. Arab world in info. They are talking about the Muslims.
I don't know later I'll buy a car.
They are talking about the Muslims.
I don't know later I'll buy a car. So you are sorry.
Be an ayan TRC in the expect to say Obeka Bibisa. And to another feel say, ya dream Bibia Mandia. Member apologize.
But no problem.
Yeah.
I am happy the African man and the African team. It's part of the big boys, the Brazils, the Argentina, Mokaho. I wish them well. Semi-finals.
I don't say they be American. Some of it's good. Me say Africa. Say per se progress will never be bremo. We should go back to God. Yeah, Nyakopon catch where the Tower of Babel. It was built by a black man.
Okay.
Babylon. Yeah, it was Nimrod. Only the first hunter in the Bible, or a black man. Because Jesus is a black Jew.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or near the tuntum.
No more painting white.
Adwa no cronin na one person be catch yeah. Ethiopia. And in the middle of a Garden of Eden. Ethiopia. Middle. Enya buruchire. Yeah. I don't know. Rest in that ebibimem na etoko Israel. What's in the aduane sawo Israel na aduane wo Pharaoh. What obi a won Pharaoh picture ni bia no hwe Pharaoh ne che na o hye no eagle.
Okay.
Ana owoda nanim. Tese Yakopon de suro ne asase tumi nyina de ma no. Na wonim ne ye haye ne haye e abosomsem. Yentimi ntwe ya ho mfi ba ko ho. But asramane na so abosomsem.
You are talking of.
Yeah.
Obi a won Pharaoh in a picture.
Yeah.
Say bibi down. So you want us to believe that picture? Say people, I didn't believe. He said the same picture, no. Yesu and Yankupon white in the embassy believe here.
I know your mom. Mr. Jesus is a black Jew.
Yeah, I understand you.
Yeah.
I agree with you, but I'm saying, okay, I say, yeah, we won't fair a picture. We're not down on
snake.
I'm saying a picture. I want us to believe that, but I didn't think that's our picture. Corona embassy we believe is Yankupon and I used to your white.
Oh,
I'm talking about
white. After where he came from, on your white.
Okay.
Or a black. Yeah. After on your white. And I'm one man can be a dear dance. Say, ufia. Oh, to separate Moses and Israel for no. Omudi Israel for Tama. And the bra Pharaoh Banco Ekofa no grano. Or say one time when you say me who's away or your Hebrew ni. What you say? Yeah. One country Egyptian or your Hebrew ni.
It's supporting Morocco.
No,
oh yeah.
But since you're an African, they're definitely.
What you say? And you know, omu time. Before.
No, some women cast some before. Almost see the African. Women cast some blacks. They are not blacks, but they're Africans.
See them. My problem is they don't see themselves as.
More Uber say blacks. That's what we do. They are not blacks, but they are Africans.
Born Yasu. Discussion. You know, there's no problem. And you know, sports team na atlas. And then I draw. No, quite some. Wale igbeni panka mayeme ho. I'm on of you. Oh, my night out. Oh. Me call Master Chrome, your mammy deal. Drugby Agbeta Okpa around the first of Akachi abo. Menamete. I'm a catcher. Go slow.
You bet you phone a big game. I basu knockout stage game. Basu Michel Nim say you benya a very good game. But for now, obviously, Brazil were lucky favorite in this particular fixture. But these Croatians never know one more basa keke. They are a very compact team. They are a team playing for a system bia and they dalete to me a build and a team one more strength in rely on their midfield. One more attack and shut down kind defense quite okay this time. But I think say midfield and a very good team, but they are not an easy team to break them down at all. But I think with the quality available to the Brazilians, I think at the end of the 90 minutes, probably even even extra time, Brazil obviously will be the ultimate winner after this particular game, because with materials one more, and especially in the second half, that is where problem if Croatia with their method combativity to me juma in the first 45 minutes, because for them that time and there one more energy level one way to me exhaust be one more bar as fresh. So the first 45 minutes one way to me make a very good account of themselves. But in the second half that is where the Seleção of Brazil one more bench players or bench some of them are on the bench are one more equally good and even better to my understanding than one more even starting not. And that is where share the likes of their two Croatia in their round of 16 game one would be in the second half and now baby say Luka Modric Kovacic I exhausted. I was a coach and decided to make you with him. So I didn't see now it's going to be a problem for them, because Brazilians with avalanche of players, quality materials at their disposal, there's no way you can defend all day all time against these Brazilians. So definitely, as it looks on paper, say Brazil will be to me if we need the ultimate at the end of the 90 minutes. But the first 45 minutes, I'm looking forward for at least a draw, because of how compact, anyhow effective these Croatians are, especially in their midfield. The system opening it to me, I build it out one very difficult to crack. And to me, the first 45 minutes, they won't be to me, but some way, somehow, from the 70th minute up to the 90th minute, that is where they will get exhausted. And these Brazilians will take a counter look about their position to media punish. All
right. You heard the center referee in Michael Oliver from England. And an experienced referee. Obabe Jinema to Tunioma, the Amada game win. And the last time our two teams here, Brazil win or maybe 2 times our World Cup history. The year 2006, Brazil winning 1-0. 2014, Brazil winning 3-1. Marcelo Di Cancio, 11th minute at the Emma, Croatia, and Sana name a better cano, as on the Bako Kahuna, Oscar, and the Bako Kahunti. Young referee, I know meetings our World Cup on enough. Young commentary.
Well, all my meetings in I think is Nubiana made in now to me to Ghana, because we Brazil of all Brazilians are in world football. They are, when it's come to world football, especially in the World Cup, they are the best team. They are the second to none. From one and then one more. So coming up against a team our own winning world tournament in Bikrada, the first time just ended season, and I said 4 seasons back I could play more Russia or born the first finals. So I think the inexperience be BIA or at my own. But this particular team Angasa one day, I would say because of the understanding of Croatians and one more to one a very compact team. But your Brazilians now players are one more board this time, most of them, if you know, one more have one debut. But 4 years back, these players are most of them, about 70% of these Croatian side, had the opportunity to feature in the last edition of the World Cup. So that is about Bibia and came for another day. I think Brazil definitely one more top. Michael Oliver, top-notch manager. I think he qualifies to handle such a big encounter.
Okay, I draw for prediction, Brian. They came better now. I'm for commenting, prediction for first half.
Media say Brazil shouldn't get to the penalty stage because Croatia to me ultimately the penalties I know I sail it through. Right. They should just kill the game within the 90 plus minutes. Okay. So we do penalties there. Alice, you may keep up Liverpool, but when it comes to such things, he's not all that good. They should just try and kill the game so they don't go for penalties.
Okay. I will say I call game no I started AK Everton Arsenal or the live commentary now to also the amount.
All right, Abidja Fuel, and every year more BBA Kwabam Famro, Okuman 97.1. A hot oven of flat, Okuman Radio Young Qatar 2022 FIFA World Cup, way a quarterfinals. The match between the Senegal of Brazil and Afensono Croatia. So far, about 1 minute in a game, Croatia and Chebi, Brazil and Sono and Chebi. Emrante duba ko mu drama sia kan dia ma fani no kopie mum enso Croatia catcher goalkeeper Livakovic at the post mu Santuna defenders na Brante Juranovic Dijan Lovren Valdio Sosa we need defenders almost we gina chiro area ma Croatia midfielders no Brante ni Brozovic Kovacic and Afensono Luka Modric up front Brante Pasalic Kramaric and Afensono Ivan Perisic when Emrante duba ko mu so shasie Antonio Diama Croatia Brazil goalkeeper Alisson Becker as usual the post to Sansona defenders Eder Militao Abrante Marquinhos Thiago Silva Arafe Danilo midfielders Lucas Paqueta Abrante Casemiro Sansona Upa Neymar up front Vinicius Junior Richarlison Anafinson Rafinha referee from England Michael Oliver Ono anene ojrama to ayram enso adiama gameway Bonabedi Santa Saka Brantiani Antonane Kovacic Opiapia Bone Panenim Obenyawan Opia dia koma Brantiani nidi enso de Dijan Lovren Kwekwa Bono Odiama Brantiani dia Luka Modric nanto da bi referee say for yentum ventia Luka Modric 3 minutes into play Croatian Chebi Brazil Chebi ha ayokuma 97.1 hot oven Afla Construction K Asarian Company Limited Loma Vista IPS Ready Food Executive Pub Otomo Enterprise Sansuna and Rob Enterprise Omunyina Ukraimu Brakasin Major Pharmacy almost we see the live commentary by Vinicius Junior for Brazil. Obetuma Robox and Vinicius. Oba Croatia now Pia passing their Coma Brantani and sorry Casemiro Pia area Coni first area Eder Militao so Pia Quetre Etricham Marquinhos Bonabedi Alisson Becker to Marquinhos Jabon Susari Banenim was standing with 10 dia Babem Kuma Vinicius beautiful control from Vinicius Junior. Wa cross the ball now so be born up born inside Brazil. This could be the opener. Vinicius now to goalkeeper Livakovic. Wa Baba be save born area ma Croatia Brazil start here born more day and more say more de the Senegal of Brazil. I was a fee can yabeji. Yanya cry yabeji. Brazil never Abrante needed Rafinha. Wa Pia passing it to Joanna to the B. Rafinha pass no banana no day. Nan got to Vinicius Junior. Nanson in sentiment come Vinicius. Bona Tresse goal kick. A goal kick Kayabatia. The Celesta of Brazil. 5 minutes into play. Croatia 0, Brazil 0. Ponya Boasimo, now to the beat Thiago Silva, a Pimboni de Fro Bonabedi, Croatia, a Brantiani, Antonio Areje, Brozovic ekura ball na ball pass na so anko Casemiro waji de free na so the Brozovic asan ba beche Modric we pia de mawan Croatia ya twe fefe Abrantia ni en so the Pasalic we pia de kuma Abrantia ni en so the Ivan Perisic na so the Pierre Militao timely intervention waji ball ni de free Richarlison ya tip on the free Richarlison Croatia na pa Luka Modric and Asen wine at the ball pa Abrantia Sosa across the ball nan to the B ball crossing obi ani ho ball Sosa crossing obi ani want to ball na trasie throwing out Abrantia Danilo over fana fence what to area tia Croatia Danilo Bonnie Club football our Italy and the old ladies of Italian football Juventus. And no Jinama de Masalicao, Brazil Nepa, Casemiro Pia pass and sorry Abedu and Richarlison, Yaji Bono de free a Brazil sem, Abrantiani de pass allet, Pia de Acoma, Abrantiani and Sono de wine. Abrantia, Vardio to Kovacic in the bonus, but Benkuma from Sosa to Abrantia, Vardio, and the teams to Donald to any Dinachi, Chelsea Pe. Madrid pe Bonabedi Dejan Lovren Opia bonus to the Bonifa firm to Brantani and the Juranovic back to Dejan Lovren to Ediama Brantani and the Vardio Washa Max Bisa Superman Vardio body about Nifa firm why pass to Modric has 17 Juranovic beautiful control from Croatia Nepa Nifa firm across the ball across the ball no now to that be ya pim there through a referee Michael Oliver or say infringement Jen Fantia Croatia Brant Ivan Perisic or ko pim Eda Militao Intino a foul Jajeria Croatia 7 minutes still Croatia 0 Brazil 0 FIFA World Cup quarter final stage and Yapo any brapa Okuma 97.1 of flag construction the Kraimu and then Manapa Brazil Manapa and Stadium YF pa Stadium YF me who the yellow and blue me who the yellow and green Samsuna the red and white as a Presby woman fellowship Red woman fellowship for one to maybe say red and white as your friend damn it Brazil never finish shots or Quacochina Serbia for Croatia America Croatia the crab on a Brantani and so the Juranovic on the body upon him but Pia Parson and so the Mawai Luka Modric as usual the person at Tiafa so hey Luka Modric person for Rafinha the Natua and the referee Michael Oliver I see for young Monfantia Croatia Rafinha Pony Club football El Spain at FC Barcelona Rafinha tournament about Mogoye Nina Musa Croatia Kosovic another one Abrantani the Modric water or the body were Pierre Kobe Kuso and Abrant Ivan Perisic Chana to Militao or Trinity or Sechumecha or cross the ball no none to be poor Ivan Perisic Croatia no bienho Abedi Vini Jr. ye kwa anybody quality Vinicius obaso you one the box with the first one as well see Wapia the mother master Thiago Silva to Marquinhos surging forward Brazil Marquinhos or the ball burning him Marquinhos appear the Eda Militao to Rafinha obestani partman wapia the Brantani the Lucas Paqueta to Brantani ding at Thiago Silva the master so appear the Mawai Abrantia Danilo Jenja bonus that Samba Boys. The Samba Boys are more young Madiani Bonabedi Nema, where Pianama Vinicius Jr. Webet by Obrigona, Brazil Vinicius Vinicius Japan as personache. Now so born in say Rafinha on your far forward to Croatia. Rafinha red boxing more wedding. Oh, Brazil is serious. Croatia so far 10 minutes still 0-0.
This very half as earlier before the start of the game.
Your microphone.
A very tough game. Whenever Croatians maybe had the opportunity and one way to me and she goes and so Anna Brazilians in the Subetumi Ashego, but Brazilians are coming up with fast and tricky players. Players are more scoring rate, was compared to that of Kramaric, no more any Vida, no more one way anymore. Abrante Freno, Livaha, no more. I think one more modern ball, Croatia, and Casa, one more scoring rate, any idea was as compared to Brazilians, one more goes you and Oshe tournament teams are one more go. I think the last team, Morocco, Morocco freeway, Croatia and Eba, one more to me 5 goals per from the group stages. So one more goal scoring Reina Casano, and idea no my conkind. But one more system of playing in Coach Alfredo Zlatkova Dalice to me Jumano in the way say midfield no and I one more strength in now. Then now when a very good partnership, a branch of friend who just go Vardiol and it out of Dijan Lover and one more year Jumani and one more to me protect this team noir Abedu Sampen Penso backed by a branch your friend Marcelo Brozovic or a holder in between them woman and midfield and one more to me Juma Casimiro and another branch of your friend Kovacic and then that of Luka Modric. Juman, the offensive work, are they up to the attacking third, senior Mabe to me a concain, woman in the Muababe do this particular stage. In this very first half, one more energy level, and I was throwing out there, one more to me, Juma Dimbiano. I personally believe that this very half will be very difficult for even the Brazilians to me finding the back of the net because this is a team, one more Juma, one more year, when you very solid. So I won't be surprised again in the first 45 minutes in it there. Definitely I'm looking out for a drawn game. But in the second half, that is where the Croatians will fall short. Now if a players in the one more last game, when you say yeah, Luka Modric, Kovacic, woman exhausted, do baby a dema coaching so be you with their names, but now baby you know to me found you need him, but God being so good on their half, one to me say true ever be do this particular timer and never money Brazil and never quarterfinals. But these opportunities in their last game, they are also in the last 20 minutes, you can never give that room when playing against Brazil. And then I'm saying in the second half, that is where Yebehu are grown and Kasaba. For now, it's been good for both sides. With all the movement, the quick movement, any action say to me also in the opposing box, Croatians looking more purposeful when having the ball at the side of any Brazilians defense. But I'm here to see that thing from Vinicius Junior, Rafinha, one more cuttings, anyhow they take on players, I'm here to see that. And one of you 2 passes be from these 2 players into me and your DNA result. So we see the way forward. And 12 minutes done, I think that we have more time in this very half.
We have more time in this very half. Brazil, Atia Faso, Croatia, Ivan Perisic, Obetumachana, watch you across the border, Bonnie corner. Croatia shall stay back game anymore. Croatia shall stay back game anymore. 10 minutes, still Croatia 0, Brazil 0, 97.1. Yetema from 20th November, yeah, the Kwako 18th December. You're ready 2 weeks. You're a kid, we are where my cans, Yeah, you be. A corner, your body, Brazil. A corner, your body, Brazil. Why in a general bonnet? Look at Modric, why you dear students to Richarlison, a prim dear through a cry. Yeah. I don't want any brab brain. I'm saying, Sadi Berger desert. Croatia, none to the be. Goalkeeper Alison Becker. What pit born in Tamadiama? Hey, Atia for so. Croatia, Modric over to my day. We're boxing him. Look at Modric, none to the be. Your club already a free war. Brazil needs to be careful. Bomb boy, Chiron, the as long as you are Tefa swap. As well as Sebaba. A throwing yet Tamnia to the Tia, Croatia. Casimiro. Oko da obo no sokura. Different in some. No be any box one card here Brazil for you. Hey. Bonabedi Thiago Silva, the master they call him, a Pianriapa. Danilo back to the master, Thiago Silva. Only pa. Thiago Silva 38 years now so ball no onim ball abedi Danilo center circle Pianyama Lucas Paqueta to Eda Militao Chicha Marquinhos Nisaka Marquinhos also Pianyama the master the crap ball to Lucas Paqueta and also they are calling for from the Ama Eda Militao Rafinha Pianyama Paqueta back to Rafinha Brazil omoje ball on Bobby Kakra fine abedi Danilo na the ball no ko Danilo stand ya bana chiri ama Casemiro wasana mo ten na so hwe wa bɔ no bonhunu Casemiro wa bɔ ni bonhunu enti e goal kicker ya batia Brazil Livakovic agota ma beto a bɔ ntem paso me hu bi do tam to bɔ na ni pom wa pinyari ama Lovren to Livakovic jejina bɔ no so asane dia bani fa chucha Juranovic ono so pema dia ma Pasalic akwa wa pa na so da bi body say Kramaric wa twe na so ya gidia friend in some Marquinhos watane fefe piano ma Danilo to the master Thiago Silva commander in chief in defense adma Brazil opinya ma Alisson Becker so dia ma Marquinhos na the body pa opinya ma Casemiro back to Abrantia ni dia Thiago Silva Sanyama Danilo PM Danilo to Neymar the poster boy da Silva Junior Neymar apia passing yama Lucas Paqueta na so da bi Croatia bejana na so bonamfa Rafinha to Eda Militao back to Rafinha benkum so sa pinya dia ba Fifa from dia ma Thiago Silva dia ma Neymar pia passing dia ba benkum enso na dia ma Vinicius Junior Vini betuma chana wasem pia dia ma Neymar anu so dia kwa chire e dia koma Thiago Silva he gina ho Thiago Silva Brazil keeping possession Neymar kan ho na je say amanfo dwane na so pass na mfa atia fa so wan na pa Croatia Abrante ni Pasalic wabo pass na Andre Kramaric to Abrante ni Marco Brozovic beautiful pass from Brozovic to Abrante Vadio to Abrante ni Ensuari Sosa na so da bi bo na mfa Brazil win throw ya turn tempa so abedi Abrante ni enso no Aje Marquinhos wa pinyari ama Casemiro abo pass na twetwe Vini Junior beautiful control from Vini na the bonipa Vinicius Junior wa ball pass no na to the bi Croatia club lines born inside Lucas Paqueta to Rafinha America ba Rafinha befana na to the Abrante Sosa we sipo na from a bona trasie e throw in ya turn tempa so Brazil Eda Militao ode ni bibi aje ball no pinyari ama Lucas Paqueta to Richarlison watane fefe chicho bia pia pass no Richarlison ya jiboni de free se Kovacic also de mani brabre no hwe wine pa Modric na bo no Modric center circle Luka Modric wa Pierre ma Prantani de so de Pasalic o shobi de ma no betuma chichai wa Pierre ma Juranovic for Croatia signed a bam fimfi de ma Prantani de Marco Brozovic akoma wan Ivan Perisic be Croatia na Ivan obetuma bo shot bon up him boa Ivan Perisic bon up him Brazil me careful Amonya careful pa 90 minutes ni abo Croatia nchebi Brazil nchebi Okuma 97.1 hot oven Burudu pa bedia fili butter bread sugar bread cake bread fruit bread chips cakes sandwich burger ninyina ya hot oven Erade na ye bakery yewo tema mata yeko akoso mo kwanten pon so Mari Junction oho ana hot oven yewo me se utom provinces na wantom rododi a hot oven bread na o ye ho avina aja ni bread oboa ana di nansa oboa hot oven na manfo no penti o de ba na asa rododi a menim a o twili da so da o Are da so da o. Ya ma so no edin. Pona ba be di Neymar. Wa Pierre ma Vinicius Junior. Wa fa pona obetima chena. Vinicius Junior for Brazil. Vinicius pass na. Vinicius wa bo pass no 1-2. Vinicius debi bonapim. Hey. Oh! 1-2 between Vinicius and Richarlison. Nanka Brantini Plesibon as to defender. Other than Waji, Neymar, or Canwehu, Neymar, Debbie goalkeeper, Livakovic. Wachibona Butusu say, Akoko Butuko Yaso. Adwa so far, still Croatia 0, Brazil 0.
Yeah, very nice game to watch. The way they are playing. Croatia and Rodica can on paper. Nanka Brazil have the upper hand. Player to player, they are comparing to Croatia. Everybody will choose Brazil. But looking at the way Croatia is playing, they are really marching Brazil boot for boots. Having been the a second last 4 years World Cup.
2018.
Yeah, they've really shown, say, when it comes to this stage, on ball, they know how to get their goals. And see, Brazil, no, the only thing I'm still praying is, say, if they are not able to take their chances now, when they get to penalties, that's what I'm saying. Croatia, no, I say they are comfortable with what's going on. I'm sure they would want it to a draw so that they can get to penalties. But the way Croatia is playing, I won't be surprised. Say, Ombenya goal. They are really matching them, and I like Croatia for that. So, my idea, pa.
Croatia, my idea, pa. I don't know. Pona Babedi. Marquinhos and Croatia for Najibono. Brazil needs to be careful. Baby, I will lose born there. Beba. Croatia goalkeeper Livakovic. Pan distribution or ya dear papa. Bob pass be a player so. Livakovic. Hey. Oh, game nefe. Johnny live on Facebook. Or Command Radio 97.1. Okwana like page no say na fence no for prediction no agentila no fani na faguo the beje brand na fence ya kenkan ya ma WhatsApp number no and also the file ya be kenkan 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191971 0270 191971. A hot Tovina flag construction or command radio. Qatar ni drew, but Beckham still young Qatar. Richarlison, Casemiro, Debbie, Bona Pemaya corner. Fine boy Casemiro, Unisano, one into Casemiro. Or then the freshness, Jim man or Brazil, a young. A knee 30 years now, Branty and Eddie, Casemiro. A man in Bojano so papa. Who's a my body players, Susana Makai? Oh, Messos is here. Eki. Kwana Brazil, Debbie, a Yidia free war, a Tiafoso referee today, as a foul. A foul and Tumfantia. Brazil infringement. Thiago Silva on foul, another master, Luka Modric. Hey, you probably cool, no bread. Modric. Samansa boy, una nunya. Whenever Dijan Lovren, wapia dem Pasalic to Lovren. Hey, Lovren no. Liverpool mo niama. Ababedi Brozovic to Abranten and Josko Vadio. The Superman to Marko Brozovic. Brozovic and Marko Kovacic. Watani Fefe, I can't name still with the Paul Kovacic. Was standing past in my Chicha wine. Abrante Juranovic. Beautiful control of a football. Hey, you're Tunani. Weber yellow card. Oh, Danilo Bedi. Yes, Michael Van der Boko, not the amount. Hey, Abrante Danilo. Or the 9 pa Juranovic nanim say Sajwa. What's your name? Ha! Ebo pa Brante Juranovic ko head Danilo. Shendi Ubabe Fangwa ko say. Wanya. Siana Prantain Afrana Boji and no moment nyina. Mo dey among footballers. Ma so dey jina na nso. Croatia team ni nyina so dey jina. And the yellow card according to Brante Danilo. baby a born dano ehu Brazil for afem benkum so asano ofani ni faso na Croatia kakakra na mombe numubewra Brazil boxing in Croatia Luka Modric agina bonachi say make atene say kom osabo we loving gina ye wona metu ama Modric and so in fan so bo anso pian for Modric na adwen so ya yesimo ha ya gidia free wo pon say Brazil na to debi efa onema Michael Oliver mofo sa ba ma reka di enso na odiwa bro Michael Oliver peka sakura the match and Samba was 2018 Champions League and 19 mum Juventus ne Real Madrid Danilo Croatia Ronaldo across this year Ronaldo be pim Danilo de no akopim je penalty ama Buffon nwenwa wantiase Michael Oliver Englishman Brazil Bonabedi Thiago Silva the master wa pinyare ma Marquinhos anonsori bone baneni Marquinhos to Danilo wa jamu di amade poster boy name back to Danilo wa pinyare ma Vinicius Junior chebe hu Vini betuma chiana wa pinya pass he akoyin keche baby adu no de nyan keche samo baby adu no nyan keche sam Croatia for no who say strategy pa no mo de bo no ya man say ekipiwa ya bo pressure na de toawa na te fa so ba kura anti am fa so na e call penalty anu o margin 2018 qualify for group stages from round of 16 to grand final penalties and one extra time bo 120 Bonabedi Neymar when we say so ye bibi Neymar and fire chidi friend in some Modric Croatia min shada hu Brazil ye
okay so uti invitiasi the American me say first half way there it will be the Croatians game because of one midfield na me what trust room in the midfield you can and yet this Casemiro any Abranta friend Lucas Paqueta and betumi handle this trial. The only missing link 2018 you know Kovacic awabemu in the expense of Abranta friend Ivan Rakitic and team no Zlatko Dalic abuild no all about the midfield. All about the midfield. Even you could see say from the defense check it. Crosses are calling no any interceptions are causing in the box no check players are winning those interceptions. If not a young brand friend no Brozovic Luka Modric and as even Kovacic. So they check how I want to defend it. So one more SJ forward progressive bona check it. Team no and as a players are one more make it we know. And I think that a team in the first 45 minutes there you can never take anything away from them in the first 45 minutes but from the 70th minute that is where womunyina no now who say de boga obekun but we dey we ho na edu so a na this midfield no na fe edu baby I say coach ni hwe be say obetumi asesa and then players are oyiwo mu fim otade wo mu be mu me say wa start Mario Pasalic. It's a midfielder when these players know in the midfield womo get tired or no na or to midi ni bemu ebeboa kakra but and then I say womo a bench ni nyina no more of attackers na womo gu bench wono so minim the pattern but o make sure say this very first half no and yehwe Brazil womo World Cup season we nyina 70% of womo goals ni nyina has come from the first 45 minutes womo so ye team a womo to me share goals in the second half. So it is a plan, a game plan. And Croatia team ne de enye ne team. One more 8 players from the last 4 years World Cup 8 players na one woman. 8 players in the can squad in one mobile. And the 4 players are one to me and started. The experience is there. Especially in the midfield in a no man's land. A nimuhono and I one more problem. So manager technically inclined enimade who say yes team no strength no nyina no midfield attack one more with Ivan Perisic and a Kraimaric no more now and the Abranta friend Mario Pasalic aba be can the attacking third no these players enya dia won betumi ama us numbers in terms of goals so midfield ni ye adwuma no go back ku bi epie mu fimu a oyiwe wɔn be protected that goal udi kan hye wɔn a they will make sure stick to their pattern of play wɔn be nya the equalizer no then whatever here at stake biano they will draw a different plan as they've been taught by the manager said yeah in terms of wɔn concede first goal the approach and I say wɔn we di kan hye goal the pattern a wɔn ebo so these are matured players share clubs are wɔn nyina Croatian team no wɔn nye mofrasa top quality players partner in the one more at their half. So I think that it won't be easy, especially in this very first half. But where I'm looking forward to say game first half draw. In the second half, first 15-20 minutes, a bit still like that. But from the 70th minute, that is where I'm because Brazilians, hasn't convinced anybody in this tournament. 70 to 80% of what goals in check. One to me share even more than a goal. It was second half 45 minutes that throughout from the group stage into one more fall short in the second half. That is another problem Tite so finding itself in. So I don't know how Obe reacted had this game first half end in a draw. In the second half BB from Tite say yes indeed it's about say first half Otumi winning and as opponent we share one more on the line, we to me win the first half, and then na Emma ne approach or by in the second half, a year different. Inti Yanshe nim say with Croatia a very compact team. Yanshe after first 45 minutes and in a draw, Nefi Masha dia Tite ebe to me a draw. Plan on the baby remove in the second half. No match him say Brazil ebe to me a goal and I say even 2 goals for the first time ever this particular tournament.
Yentua game no so 31 minutes. Croatia 0, Brazil 0. Okuma 97.1. I am your commentator, Calvin Ampontedi. Call me AK the boss player. Alongside Krobia Santi, Joapokia, Barcelo Paradise, Santuna, senior on duty. Amunyina Boba Chidom, Unikuma Govie. Pona Babedi. Brazil for from Bim Nation, ya Yidia Friwo. Now, so Croatia still with the ball. Yes, Krobia said it. Croatia midfield in a year, Juma. Amochre experience. Pa. Marcelo Brozovic, Mateo Kovacic, and Luka Modric. The master, Luka Modric. We're playing personal. And I'm a pass to. Oh, Modric. Onimbobo. Penfona kai waju anya juma ni badu ya nebre. Ajunu ya juma ti age no onfanya hwe. Marcelo Brozovic, Mateo Kovacic, and Abrantia ni din ade Luka Modric. Omajuni ya juma ti ni badu ya nemre. Sai Thiago Silva ajuni ya juma ti no 38 years ground. Na mo penfona kai when you chop money ade ubeti. Ana me ba kwoma. Hey! Luka Modric, when you know so, why is that wine? No, na yede. Hey! The light of Lucas Paqueta, Casemiro, unchada wama yira, o midfield wo. Ama yira o midfield wo. Ne manchada hum nyo ye. We Charles na Musa, Paqueta ne Casemiro de amada. Ha, she. Kovacic, wapia de ma Lovren to Modric, the boss player. Wapia, oh, David, Brazil needs to be careful. Brazil needs to be careful. Brazil, Croatia, grab on 2 minutes. I make grab on 2 minutes. Brazil not can be. Hey, Brazil the sign over from and young one. Croatia, I'm doing 10 to say no more you from. Yeah, share Modric na ba no Modric wapia da kwachire entem faso da Lovren wapia da ma Josko Vadio. Oh, mamma mia, Croatia omudia gro pa bon do nya bi twa wa obeti okuma ko obefili Croatia afena 3 minutes Brazil na akabo. Hey, oh Debbie, Brazil nepa Kovacic, Wajnovic, Bonavedi Casimiro. Wabo pass no Brazil bim lechana bim ya everywhere. Croatia Brantia Juranovic. Waboni bim at everywhere. Go Jamse no hands at Yavaso. Hey, football. More pressure. Lisa Brown, we are heavy. Oh, Lisa, we are heavy. Papa. Madam, they are being madam. They are not here in Tiano. Ponabedi Brazil. Abrantia Macunos. Wapia, Madam Master. Thiago Silva and Sachrayabim. They say Thiago Silva be Libro. Anna Macunos are sweeper. And Sachratonia Diasa. Nema, Watiasio, Richarlison, Nansuda B. Croatia box from Commons Row. Omojibona. Oh, foul. Look at Madrid. Experience. And no other ball. I know who's a woman to me. Yeah, no, that. Senior, 37 minutes. Still, Brazil and to me, JB. Croatia soon, JB.
Okay, Oshe, Croatia for now, send a Corbia Cano, or pattern, what the Bobono. Oshe the midfielder, Casimiro, and went to me and who do sa in the part A3 because Oshe 3-1. Oshe made for the what they are Croatia for midfield in the idea. I say I can't wait and say, with me make sure say what the ball, send with me hold the ball away in 5th, you know, with me progress to the finish part and now one striker make sure say wait me finish the chance be a obenya because I said most chance in one shouldn't create chance in I but with me hold the ball no say the way wait me create chance we will make sure say chance be a one sabe cano I was make sure finish that chance so that it will be their ball winner wait me that go ball now what ball according to the plan coach the man have so players so your players are what experience one ball na che winning one and because we are inexperienced players in because the ball from there be what would you park in no ball no ball will be I want about top teams in Nabi you know when we be a young one ever born in 90 and when you have to because you man who name and my best friend there be young man abo born as I am man ever born to know when slow be a own film what Osha Bora a Madrid bar on your ball ultimately say what Bobo nature or experience or born on prenne who elbowum into I am was a first half when the bad draw. First half and the second half when I say we are one more than because we beat me every neighbor. Second half never, but first half with a better draw.
Yeah. Oh, Livakovic. Yeah. Brazil for now, him say I play another nine boy. Him say and the second other boy. Yeah. And can I book cushion more? And the Brazil ah, 20 years old say Pia. Why never Pasalic Croatia, Modric, beautiful control, Pia Pasalic, Brozovic, Kovacic. Hey. Oh, Zani Pamian say one thing for Brozovic, Kovacic, Modric. We are rough, but 20 minutes now, Nanka boy. Yeah, back with that. I just say, Vinicius Neba, now so, hey, Juranovic. Tia, sir. Oh, Brazil and Nadian Charamfa. Senior Croatia Cano. This World Cup, I'm going to sing in our first half. I'm on first half. I had any moment. Against Cameroon, first half, I'm on to say. Last hour, Boubacar. Pa. Maybe Croatians one send the first half. Wedding. Bona Babedi, Thiago Silva, the master. Center circle, no, Sawa Pinare Ma. Rafinha de akoni faso betuma pia bana o de bam fin de ma Brantia Danilo to Neymar betuma twa na pia da kwa chere ma Thiago Silva back to Brantia ni de Marquinhos Afro Nation Marquinhos and Afro Nation Bona be di Brazil awon de yasan ti de from sem Brazil to me nkura ball 1 minute. Oh, what the anti na bench no. Pasalic. Tikono sa. Bona babe di Brazil Neymar. Yeah. Neymar ka che ne de. On chada anye serious Brazil players na kana. Why ne pada Militao. Ni fa fema pia de ba. The master Thiago Silva to Marquinhos. Marquinhos na de ball pa. Anon se pia de ma Danilo. Jina ball so sa Sandia Marquinhos BM. Marquinhos center circle to Thiago Silva. Thiago Ariama Eda Militao, Brazil assistant formation. Brazil assistant formation. Now, Omu use Omo laterals on the right back and left back. Omu joining the midfield. No, go on say Kovacic, Chene, Modric, Chene, Brozovic. Omu bule Omu Vivio. It's a nay. Omu Danilo Nima Cunha Signora. Some about coming for this. No, I had India, Brazil. Nema, hey, oh boy, I want to say you. Hey, Croatia. You're driving a natural reference foul. A driving shot. Michael Oliver said, Obama Sumama cat, you didn't know. Michael Oliver, the English referee, what was so for foul. Adama Brazil. And see, Bonnie free kick, baby, a Bonnie Dano. Croatia coach, we dra. Ozu ohoni yetwa. Brozovic, ohoni yetwa. Baby, a Bonnie Dano hu. Ha. Croatia for fem. Eba Brazil for benkum wanu no. Anamama mienu pe. We were Croatia box nim. Ne imagine chire Livakovic, Croatia goalkeeper. I say hey Brozovic, kabom. Me miemu biem akwa we odebefem. Enti Modric and Brozovic. Omona akwa won Livakovic ejina post no say monko nifa kakra. Aha. Brawechi kakra, brawechi ka afi onan na aka bon. Waka bon. 3-man human work Kovacic, Brozovic. Neymar goalkeeper Livakovic. Cool, calm. This is what Butus was Roberto Carlos. Oh, sorry. Roberto Carlos. Ejinam. Rivaldo Ejinam. Cafu Ejinam. Ronaldo Nazario de Lima. Omunyina Ejinam. Croatia found their pressure. Crowd ye be no mo so hwe. Echirewa box no mo. Pa to pa. Hwe, apiana ma Sosa. Sosa so the ma Vadio Beden. Over the moment goalkeeper. Wa piana ma faso Juranovic. Shot mine. Just the border piano ma. Lovren ama long pass. No. Kramaric pa. Yasusuno. Hey. Atia faso. Bonabedi. Andre Kramaric. Wa piano ma Brozovic. Back to Kramaric. Osanya ma Brozovic biem. Croatia confident in wasro. Confidence in wasro. Pa. Hey. Oh, Debbie. Brazil. Omu gra. Omu na muza. Hey. I don't know from Tegare. Yo school now, baby. A friend talk through. Bob over can cry. Croatia. Not to that be. Hey. Ya jibon je free. Thiago Silva. Ya one cry to baby. Ya club born obi am pen wasem. What a game. And what a match from Croatia. Lucas Paqueta, yanyane chwe. Thiago Silva, ya one crowd to baby. I say sign them for more. We can enye easy. Enye easy and from Brazil na. Yeah, den. Obi ayane chwe. Aye drop ball. Nema wakasa sa. Why say Croatia down for El Salvador? Equatorial Guinea. Obeka sasa. Aye drop ball. Thiago Silva, ya won so cross. I will to me 1 pound. Ya wo say ya, why you careful? 1 pound. And see opponent pass to Croatia never. Ya body asimo. Croatia. None to that be the master once again. Thiago Silva will show the class. Bonnie outside. Thiago Silva so bad na I'm 2 minutes. Hey, Jinsio. I know how many there. 44 minutes. Hey, you move. I do have 44 minutes still 0-0.
Game look right there. If it were to be final, would have been very, very great. We a beautiful football power. Game we say now show we na se sebi ukobe crew fufrobi na ukosho mu game boa. Utumi say no, ekru no mudi agro okru nimpa. Cause look, this is tactical game and still Croatia, I'm so much impressed. My impressed, pa. They are so comfortable. I said there's nothing at stake. Comfortable matching the Brazilians, boot for boot, and I'm sure they just want to take this game into draw, believing that when it gets to penalties, what they do as usual, no ombe na omwako semi-finals. It's a great game. I say Neymar Nena C4D, they are just walking or passing through because of what Croatia is doing. And TAK, I think these two teams want to go for penalty kicks. That's what I think. This is when Adebiamika say your keeper, your coach should be, because we a team in so could stage where yes, some teams beer me bubodin and kaya shombe 3-4 kra. Ya shombe 3-4.
Croatia na the body ba. Oh, ba referee Michael Oliver. I say offside. Referee the 1 minute na toso. Hey Oliver. Oliver say Brazil number 1
ever since the tournament began, Alisson is now feeling that he's working. All the time he's been working from home.
Yeah.
Drawing back the players do, because they've not met any team that very stronger. But since you to me so brepa. Now Sanya man already feel Liverpool they be OPAP in one share. You be shen easy. Montonefo.
To Alisson for saying. Referee Michael Oliver upon a ball saying Bona bang. I don't feel can upon a Croatian Chebi Brazil and so no Anchebi. Your witness is such an interesting game, fine football. And so now you try one part a part. Come on, Chebi away chilino. Yansono Yade Ebertua Mozo. Higher command 97.1. What a save! Croatia, oh, where the anchor woman who cry. Of those me as the opportunity now, but what expectations?
Well, said proud before the first half, no make kind say. Michel Nimu said this second half, Brazil a bit to me I know because Croatians, as said I kind of say Croatians, first half there will be to me a match, but I'm looking forward to say from my time frame say first 15 minutes 20 minutes Michel Nimu at least Croatians in between me as I'm maintaining one more composure, but okay in the from 70th minute that is where I made me feel say with Brazilians, one more energy, one more anyhow, I want to me a running, and yeah, dear, Croatians, maybe to me, I then a match that of the Brazilians, but you share him say now, and you're maybe to me, I then a conkind a day, ama womo, honomo. One more start ye, but Yansha said, and you're maybe tiako.
A penalty to my Brazil, and I'm the humble cross war. And so VAR possible penalty. Now so hey, Michael Oliver, oh you too much. I say oh boy, offside. Hi, Brazil within 2 minutes. Oma created 2 clear chances. Nehu. Pa. Now go someone settle the Croatian but I'm fat. Love friend. A man about so sad, Pejani Tisa, but who be down? But Pejani Tisa won't have a tambon everywhere. We're trap parts in the ama. Valdio. And also the ama Sosa to Parasite back to Sosa. Americasa now so passing and for born in Taye. A brand 10 in the pastor to appear a ma Juranovic or Johnny Papa Juranovic. Onisano. And also appear a ma Luka Modric, the master. Master so appear a ma Kovacic. I don't know for appear a ma Luka Modric. Appear a ma Juranovic across the bay. Whoa, Bonnie corner. What a game! What a game! 50 minutes near Bokos and Tebi. Brazil soon Serbia Brante Josip Juranovic Odiagro. Bonnie Club Football Mass Celtic. I was Scotland. And Conradma Croatia. Abrante just covered the Jram. The Jan Lovering Jram. Jaja kona no Nansudabi Bonisaya Croatia Bib Nation offside. Offside. Hey. Utie commenting and I make us say now watch it and I last week by this time. Now Uruguay 2 Ghana 0. Then I watch it and oh. Come on, Ukra. Let's have a mama. Because I out of a flag construction a command radio. Young Qatar live commentary near the park. Croatia 0, Brazil 0. Your commentator, aka the boss player. Alongside Croatia Santa Joe Pokia, Pastor Paradise, Senior Duty Austin, the boy Dennis Omunyana Pomechidom, Mama the commentary park. Hi. Commenting that they say Croatia, I want my Philly and Casa. Hey, I want my Philly. A foul, ya jetia Brazil. Santa Osa Brozovic, opinion that quite ready. Ama Lovren to Abrantian, the Juranovic. Wapia pass no Chucha Modric. Now should I be under Kamaric, and now I am very quiet in the game. Nema da sofa obetwachana nema uram nipa miensa wapia pass no asada ato no wato baby obi anya ne referee Michael Oliver say don't sleep wake up nema Podikra Rafinha hwe ono so another unserious player back no on said anya serious anya say nema aju ne career mo onye serious nema the guys tatu ne sira ho nyina hey go cash you cry. Yantua bono so bona bedi Marquinhos. Wapinyere kwana ni mudia ma Danilo. Danilo so dia ma Vinicius Junior. Vini na de bone pa. Ope 1-2 na ntwamfa. Bona pem Juranovic. Wayeni bim nation. Wajidia friwo. Bona sabedi Brazil. De master Thiago Silva. Wapinyere ma Casemiro. Casemiro kura bona dane dia ma Eda Militao. Militao na de bone pa. Center circle. Militao ongunyon fa bona nye. Odiama Thiago tu Danilo ana de bone body ama Neymar pia pass no hey Abrantia Juranovic hey onimbo and as on more right back Croatia nebo Grosebeu Abrantia ne Kramaric hey wa pia na mawai Perisic Ivan Debi hey oh Adie dia befa se no mo bon dia befa Brazil ben sachraye Edia Rafinha ne be frim Anthony bebam Yesi usangi ya uma Anthony pon club football ma Manchester United enjoy bebam obe ono so onye serious se Rafinha na Danilo huna na makai obi o. Huna na makai papa bi pa. Danilo kura bono pia de Casemiro to Thiago Silva. Silva kura bono chichawan. Thiago Silva na de bono pa wa pia de ma the unserious player Rafinha ono sa start mo ten. Let me kai. Do be serious amu. Adama Danilo dem the Shana no akabiro Man City. Yeah, the one fun was Neymar, another serious player. Neymar, that the boy on answer be pona babedi. Danilo Pia Diama. Neymar to Richarlison. Hey, beautiful turn. Brazil, this could be the opener. What a save from Croatia goalkeeper Livakovic. And now where they go? Hey, ya crossing na Zurabi. Yeah, ubada form. Ubada na abeko wada. Goalkeeper mo Croatia Livakovic.
And the modern ball as we niangasa this tournament, I think that you had the opportunity under Subasic 2018 one hero goalkeeper one more deniku PM Russia World Cup no then no see kind of my AS Monaco or the French League champion. Now or cancer 3 man goalkeepers are one more do PM. So I think that he's learnt a lot in the second successive World Cup at Albany. So when you had the opportunity, the first edition, you know, or understudy a legend in the game, and now a 10 is on also able to be proving so well. I think that Brazil and Yoma and said that I am conking Emma Womo. Said ya one and the specialists said ya initially young man for say this is a team one more struggle to score in the second half. Second half this tournament, I think that one match a single goal. About 5 matches in one match a single goal. It was second half. One to me she go in the second half, and one more strength in first half. And they are playing another team one more so especially one throughout the 90 minutes and one match. They say one more very solid. A team consistently the last 4 years when we create a team way more the same system, the same pattern of play, the same understanding of how team bonding, team cohesion, BBI Juma intact, and our Mosandi Ababi remove this particular time. And it's a football Ebeka career. I think that this is the time I was a Uncle be able to maybe new World Cup now. It should be the Croatian stand because a Juma one 4 years back, power medical remove finals now. Okay, Rakitic, any Luka Modric, any Brozovic. These 3-man midfield. The reason why I'm going to me encore ahead in winning 2018 World Cup, no, a meeting another side in terms of midfield. Now I'm so very combat. N'Golo Kante, Blaise Matuidi, Paul Abile Pogba, and I think the supremacy, the strength, any BBR with this Matuidi, Pogba, Kante, no. supersede that of Luka Modric and Brozovic and Rakitic. And only to me, the only difference are me in that particular final, me win 4-2, 6 goals straight at the end of 90 minutes. Me to me win here. The difference between the midfield and you share the form of N'Golo Kante then. You share the form of Abrantia and your friend Pogba and that of Blaise Matuidi. And I think that one more make a difference, over this team. But said they are one more brave, not this time. One more saying about do side time the football be kind of career. I think that one more will deserve it this time. So one more be to me left here the World Cup trophy because one more year Juma team a good so born home. But on the side of Brazil, I think it's okay. Ushemua for 22 years in Brazil went to me winning World Cup. 22 years. Yeah. Not even a single nation from the CONMEBOL continent. From South America, Obibia, the last 20 years.
20 years,
Yes, Obibia to me winning World Cup. And out of these 22, the current winner count 22 years. Young have 4 World Cups already. This particular one account 5 times. And Obibia to me win. So the last time Brazil were winning, 2002 Japan Korea one share Germany by 2 goals to now one mo di win one mo feet World Cup from then one mo be PM 2006 any man conquer farmer France yi one mo film quarter finals 2010 was South African soil ye hu adwuma Netherlands and one mo ye Netherlands the same quarter finals Netherlands to me one mo film one mo nya the opportunity a team and our mo friend the golden generation led by Neymar da Silva Jr. one mo go PM Brazil host and win to me and conquer one mo nya sa humiliation defeat from Germany considered 7 goals the semi-finals and the last edition 2018 and also one more betting FA one more time Russia am in the golden generation of Belgium Eddie Michael Hazard Kevin De Bruyne and Omejuma one more year Yannick Carrasco that day on the night and Yejuma Ketwa one more winning by 2 goals to 1 against this Brazilian. So Kamia say the last time I one more share an European country one knockout stages back in 2002 one more share Germany at the final ground one more winning trophy from then all the eliminations are one more has come from defeat from Europeans and one more last 4 World Cups I want to since I want to win one more last one Europeans into one more modern ball on the knockout phase the last 4 World Cups I want to me Europeans when it comes to knockout stages and this idea me for instance me expected from one say one more by 5th time and the 5th time out of this possible 3 back open one more call finals semi-finals a quarter final it took even Germany in the semi-final brana one more shey nim sanka one be host and winner of Brazil and one more share what me call semi-final they can a quarter final now they are in the quarter final and one more performance for now you're close to 60 minutes and she dance on the entry team for last 22 years only need trophy our person trophy the last 22 years on share any European team knockout stages na person share an European team and I think say that is something I was a need if BBI equal to them I was say well players and coming back to their senses one more and ball because share them the samba player yenim one two on the samba boys who's any samba play now the Croatians are now attributing to the samba style of play swinging passes together we're exchanging balls on that from the Brazilians. So I think they should have it in mind now one more the last 20-30 minutes I can one to me find you but I think it's been solid from the Croatians and one more to me about home modern
Croatia hi oh Debbie Krabia fit time was say kasa ya be pim zemri afena Brazil na yakabo hi oh Debbie another mfo kwayo success amfa me unse kwadwa di kwayo me anwapa kawana nem samba amfa Croatia Debbie pass ne kura obo pass na se kura samba Croatia for no ei omunyo obi o skillful animu kakra bi a awanka ba na Brazil da ya omunyo obi o skillful kakra bi omunyo obi ti say wasan kakra bi ti say Rafinha kura na angaye hey Croatia bona bedi abrantia ni din ade Brozovic Brozovic apia passing the man Kovacic in the ball ba Croatia Ivan be Croatia na goalkeeper Ivan Perisic bon goalkeeper Alisson Becker se wujina wa yeden bra wani ma ye Croatia ko a chama sana ana nanim na aro no supporter no nanim na aro no ato de den Brazil science achira ebiem Rodrigo Gues nanim kete small boy small obviously small little boy onim bo papa Croatia for a mistake or be form Rodrigo Gues Sancho bebem ebe Lucas Paqueta na be film Pona be Vinicius Junior Vinicius Pinharia break Casemiro Sanso de bona kwetire de Mama Marquinhos to Thiago Silva Onguni on fa bona ya waje Mama Neymar twaro sa Neymar ori akwetire de Mama Marquinhos de bona koma wan ori ama Thiago to Adam Militao to Anthony, another serious player wabem. Wapia dema Militao Debi Croatia umani bra no. What you born a free okra? Dani Alves, Adani ball boy. Hey, Croatia 351 passes completed compared to 329. Vinicius amfo ya ina frim. Hey. Ya Vinicius a frim. Unya bad day, no wanya bad day. Unya bad day, no wanya bad day. Vinicius, wa free mama Rodrigo, like for like substitution, Rodrigo Gues. Hey, Brazil for a guy. Hey, I go blow ni akora keto anya walk ba koko ya. I go blow ni tino kla. We have adwa we kala ben. Momo kan say blondie, anam kan say. Blondie. Yeah. Hey.
And then blonde.
Blonde. Ah, yo, say somebody here. Blonde hair. Mo fa sibi ko yebi. Ntema. Se ko ya ko se yo mo. Hey! Richarlison blonde hair. Neymar blonde hair. Rodrigo blonde hair. Dani Alves ana na pempem na pankoye. Coach no so nyina wanyi anko yebi. Neymar ne kura pono pe kwa bo shot ya masa. Ya hogo na guo. 64 minutes nearby. Oh, hey. Brazil nchebi. Croatia nchebi. Neymar da form. Ona na chichira say they butu mu no. Atrabe no ibutu na bu say entomago pa na yada kata cruzo. Eye free kicker ma Brazil. Neymar jina chire. Casemiro jina chire. Anamambe dumienu beura Croatia box room. Above Casemiro shot na pem Croatia form chada bayo. Omo abo mo papa. Brazil, but 17 go back frustration but 13 so they no. Tactically, Croatia are very disciplined. Tactically. Omo take the instructions of their coach. Abrantia, Abo Binso, Brazil, what a save! Goalkeeper, liver coverage. Oh, senior, goalkeeper dear Barcelona.
What go fun?
So na your bit.
Okay, for now, Maga say on the pitch and man of the match, the goalkeeper no, because we save sir. Why year from the start up to by this time, but we Brazil for now. We say we just ball now. What individual player or players are our experience with team minimum. But I say Obia ball nankasa ne ball. But we Croatia for no team ball. It will make sure say you na ye kwa you na beba. Into no ama Brazil for find very difficult say we would one pony. Me just say Brazil for be ya. Also was to shoot to Fiati because I yes happen we say or the ball be we 18 mu party. Be you because Croatia for make sure say yeah ma kwa more star apese obo. And any idea aha Brazil for na ma motima yi Rafinha no money. We show me na football because Rafinha few born Blisha or born say ultimately take it on to Milikani and woman so was an and Yamawa for anybody continue. I was say Brazil who said no, they shoot to 30. I asked Adia, I bet you me just say Adia Brazil coaching and also ultimately Fred Beckham for this no. So that Memphis in me I'm a method and I'm a muad in concern what born day. What born is say Adia. I won't I do with magic Croatia. I see what they mean for what they Fred Beckham before this no.
Fred. We better say, hey, and you cream crying actually, Fred. A chobin not to yellow card. Yellow card. Yellow card, Akoriama Casimiro. Mike Oliver, on the or no? Where do you come on? Show us. Because I come from him. Because I am from Akabi. Where do you card on the amount? Brazil, Russo, Emfa crack. Casimiro Quaco the yellow card. Which are the or volume. Hey! Bonabedi Juranovic, Opiana Faso, back to Juranovic, Croatia, Brozovic. What do you look at FIFA? Still no Jinem. Abedia Brantier, just covered your opponent, Ivan Perisic now should have been a head and amfa, Nan Kwashandre Kramaric. Croatia Baba and Sachrae. Croatia Baba and Sachrae. So maybe pass a little. Maybe a Kramaric now. 68 minutes. Abrane Kwaneko. Croatia 0, Brazil 0. I'm fine. Why you I say, oh, Croatia. Omu diagro. Why you say Yakuma Pem? Bonabedi, Croatia, Luka Modric, Musa, where we need throw. Luka Modric, we need throw. And now we're showing a class. Piana master. Casimiro, Gianna master. I know one of my dream also will do Tim. I try say he's the boss player. Croatia. Bonabedi Kovacic. Wapia Ediama Valdio. Odia Timaso. I don't know Tim now. Apabedi Brozovic. Modric actually be on Fabon. Back to Kovacic. Hey. Just a confident Croatia for the Bobon and nothing. And what Jane Papa Luka Modric Krabona San Sanimodiama Kovacic. Anthony, I go try I give for Tiano. I'm a Philly boy, Croatia for my Philly or Papa Ivan Perisic. Opinion Marco Brozovic. Brozovic said Jamodiama Kovacic. Kovacic to Modric. Modric Kakan and the bonnet about Pierre Brozovic. Brozovic in the bonnet pa. And now I say Moshe Barcelona. Inter. Hey, Brozovic. Yeah. One sound. Yeah. Hey. Oh, Croatia. Davi. One sound. Pa. Nipa mi enu. Amon kwa Modric and Brozovic. We bomo we know ya dash no bomo no dash. Hey. Still 68 minutes, 2 minutes in here, 3. Still, Croatia. Luka Modric. Was standing personal or they are qualified for more. Croatia, Juranovic, Wapiana, my Pasale. Hey, Pia will be there, possible. I did for Etiano. Pasale to the open play on your serious Croatia for Manoa. Croatia, yes, my goal over there. Complaining. Croatia, yes, such right. Number 16, I mean, number 16, I mean, Abranti Andre Kramaric Ephraim. Andre Kramaric, why not familiar? 71 year YB. Achakura. Ephraim Samsona Pasalic. I'm here serious or Croatia for mom coach or any. I'm almost serious or you are my friend. 16 years, I do am in you. Send us over more your complaint. Well, Pastor Lechene Kramaricha from Akwe Samsona Vlasic. Abemane Krabia down for Petkovic. So I say mono. But Chelsea not Chelsea for ID. Petkovic and Vlasic Abem. And since Sachra Abem no Croatia for them. 72 minutes hot oven of flat construction. And Sunyamiya Oforuwa Chop Bar. Ready food, concept foods. Brakasin, major pharmacy. K Asarian Company Limited, Loma Vista IPS, Otomo Enterprise, Executive Pub, and Rob Enterprise. Amunyina Krayemu. The Triple H Higher Heights Hotel. Share. What do you have? And I was Gobisa, Rafinha, Antonio, Obedive. Oh, Brazovic, any in film. Bonaveri Casimiro, Brazil Nebano. Why? Nema. Oh, and ne. But I don't know the crash. Share. Anthony Dotton or referee. I say, hey, referee, the match I think it is good. Rafa can't know. Bonabedi Nema for Brazil on 1991 so Nema about pass na on you serious. Adwa 74 minutes still 0-0.
Game with Croatia we need pa. Now football hasn't been fair. Croatia proves yes. Stage way so stage way so pa. You can't take anything away from them. They've been great from day one. And they'll be great when it extra time, getting to penalties. They are compact. I don't even know what to say about this team. It's a great team. But I can win him. Me call Banyana. Now me share. On say winning. Is it second?
Yeah.
4 years back no.
Yeah.
Now I'm president Yoruba.
Yoruba.
Debbie Oluzia no. But also Oba will fear.
Kasa.
Yeah. Oba will fear. So I was looking at where it's coming from.
Okay.
So when you're from some home, no, Usubaya no, say, oh yeah, you are from this home.
Yeah.
And it's telling on the players.
Yeah.
Me cast but say I know a president bio. I'm just
letting you say.
They've been disciplined and everything. I love them so much. Me bomb pie some we need game way because say Brazil to me one goal be and if Croatia should also get a goal, no, don't even allow Brazil to charge the ball as they are doing now.
Adam for Juliet Beware, as the investors are worried. So they were shaking our stadium.
Oh, okay.
Juliet.
Juliet
in my autumn.
Okay, meaning say Black Stars are banning to
I'm sorry, I'm buying them. More buying them. On Sunny Thierry now.
Oh, okay.
More buying them. So buying the card and chow for. I'm buying the card and chow for. With you, yeah, no one bottom. I was investors are worried.
I am Pamo.
Hey, that was that from Eduma way.
On say Krobia Edin.
Oh, I know there be Krobia. On the no, Abra, Ejibu Serbia near you know. And Saudi Arabia. Brazil, Debbie, hi. What a save from Livakovic. Oh, Debbie. Akodai. Hi. Oh, Debbie. What a save. It was a one-on-one situation versus Abrantia Nemani goalkeeper no. Or you saw Bosulia Livakovic or you did free walk. Corner ya born in Tempaso, Croatia Madrid on corner name of foul. Yes, I'll show the class once again. Yellow card. Accordia Mama Quinos. Madrid, so could be anyone, so I want to know better than Yako. And to imagine another yellow card. Marquinhos got the yellow card. When you say me a comment, oh Fred. What they are more. Ufre nyese masane abana. David. Hi, Livakovic. Oh, great. Croatia. Oh, referee. Referee Michael Oliver. Oh no. What my you are almost at back found. Marquinhos said the yellow card. Casemiro had the yellow card. Danilo said the yellow card. Alisson Becker was playing past in 77 minutes. Still Croatia 0. Brazil 0. Bonabedi Alisson Becker. El Brazil FM was playing the master Thiago Silva. Or the Bono Panenim. On also playing the mat Eda Militao. Militao Eshuchawine. Croatia Mubama Bonya Mumon target to cry. Marquinhos to Danilo. Danilo Eshuchawine Neymar so pia pass na de ba Neymar Manchana Obo Neymar hey Pamianza nko ayi ball no Modric Marko Brozovic. Oh, I'm loving this Croatian midfield. Brozovic, Kovacic, Modric. I'm loving them. Omuni Bobo. Neymar, baby, I don't know who said I do chew them. I do not talk. Neymar do Kenyan way. Bona Babedi, the Jan Lovren. I know so I for so chibi. Yeah. Lovren piano ma Juranovic. I know so piano bam finfin. Abrantia Vlasic a piano ma Brozovic. Of Chichawine Obenya Abrantia Kovacic ana. Kovacic so piano pass no hey anko. Adam Militao. Wajamu diama Casemiro to Neymar back to Danilo. I know so piano ma Lucas Paqueta or la sunya bonim. Tite, I say, "Oje ko anim, we move." Tadi, yanko. Abedi Marquinhos for Brazil center circle. Oshisho bi the bona manu Marquinhos. Wa pinya ma Casemiro or the ama wan Richarlison. Yasonu Nasura bi Modric na ba no. Hey, Modric wa uramo Croatia. Hey, unso nye serious sa. Hey, no. Abran, same Casemiro nyini. Oh, I don't want to make Casemiro nyini. I want to coach it. Adam Militao, 79 minutes. Or the Amawai, Anthony, Nisoso, Anthony. Hey. Or Quachi, you're China to baby. Represent also Brazil. This could be the opener. Brazil, Neymar, Brazil, Petkovic. Once again, what's everyone? Oh, Jordi cry food here. Barcelona, you need second keeper. You need to know we are seeing second keeper. Barcelona, you need club by all my. We are seeing you need second keeper. Abrante Livakovic. Oh, we're ready. And the saves in Kwan Ording. We will say, I cry na. I am me. We will say, I cry, I am me. Born up in Croatia, Benkum to Sosa, a pen passing a Ivan Perisic to Kovacic back to Sosa, or the Nasa second to a Yamawai, Abrantia, and the Petkovic. That you born in their friends. You know a bear monocrop is all woman. You know you're doing by the moment is all woman free. Abrantia Vlasic and a Petkovic. I want to Chelsea for so. Bona Babedi Benkum Danilo for Brazil. Or the Bona Banenim or the Amman Marquinhos. Osha Croatia for Chirona. Oh, baby, I know. Babedi Anthony, Obano Nyako Baboso too. Yeah. I say, I brew una de abrew the idea. A year now over to a shadow. Are you laughing at the Anthony about it as I say? And so be on the bench into ending. Brazil or Macano. Also, I say, I know about Croatia, there be a Tiafasu, Rodrigo by why didn't will give him. Bonabedi Casemiro center circle or the pony burning him 42 minutes in the ball. Bonabedi Branton in the Rodrigo Guez. Watch the ball for the tour. Rodrigo Obetua Channel Pierre Casemiro ball partner across the ball. No, none to the beat. Richarlison head and Amfa. Pony a goal kick. Richarlison na ya marking papa. Richarlison Gina free game remove. Utibaka Kurana in trouble. Hey, girl, he say you. Get your way. Rasta get your friends. All station me now cry. Hey, oh boy, made more crowd your friends. Rasta again. What is that? Where Jay? Where Jay replica? This is our rough. Where Jay will be. Hey, my good Oliver, where the match and papa? Oliver, I don't know the Ghana and the South Korea. Antia. Well, on board you, Oliver. Oh, you're professional referee. Abranti anything, Ade Pedro Babam. Abrantia Pedrito. Amadi say, I won't even near Kosu. I won't even say why they. Brazil man in the Jamana, I won't even say why they in the Amamano. Abrantia Pedro, O Freemama, or Bema Baby Richarlison, and I won't some fat. Richarlison Freem, I'm a Pedro Abam, 25 years na Branton Eddy. A Bonnie Club football ma Flamingo, El Brazil. I'll quit any bedding. Takashima in Pau. Obu won't change new papa. We won't know when you now John Boy were chira. Oh boy, won't change. John Boy, won't change you him. 83 minutes near, but still Brazil chubby. Croatian chubby. A brand kwa neko. Juranovic. Akofa bore babato. Ose ujira me beto abem. Akwana tio. Na soma din akwa we. Sam kai watu ha. Tro no to na sano. Croatia boxing mo. Croatia apem. Ponan say why Neymar opefa ya ji dia free nsem na so da be still the ball Brazil wonye serious we kire osa atefa so ba so ba se ya ji dia free wo sam kan attacking throwing Brazil for humbon ye be kofie sa ara humbon ye be kofie Ivan Perisic hey woman class of we Bonabedi Abrante Sosa obetuma twa Wawuramo, Croatia, Dabi, Abranta Anthony, Wapia Pasuno, Pedro, to Rodrigo, to Neymar, Nebano, Yadanba to okay, Bonabedi, Danilo, the Vanambo Canta, Dabi. Wapia Rama, Neymar, Pequache Madrid. I said, Germany, Amawai, Casemiro, Obwa, Yefrin and him. Bonisaya, Brazil, Anthony, Brazil, Dabi corner. A corner kick. Brazil and Brazil come. Baby, I do not want to say, oh man, just say I know room extra time there. We say, also I say, Brazil supporters in the body so. Someone can wear. Obi ba name ma fa ho nyina to form. Anthony dem so you serious o. The best you just see ama o obi ba ne Rafinha ntia ayi Richarlison ntia se ayi na free but ontument na se Brazil bench no ti de se munya am kwatena mu ko de na mu ye Brazil fans no enwoma mo to ano no obi ba ne ma fa ho nyina to form the best you just see ama o Brazil man no de omo to ball na se na ma no hey Katay Yehuniama supporters no omo ma Yehuniama Zi Pedro ni de you ncheni ni obonwo bo o se player bi mami o Michael Oliver, on your Kasa baby bro. I speaks louder than words. On the Kasa and Framantom, Pekasa sa. Kabako akawawie. Tite head coach nema Brazil. Na so yesterday ba. Yami hu na Tite hu a. Anga watenase. Yami hu no. Bonababedi Croatia 87 minutes. Croatia 0, Brazil 0. Madrid for Croatia. Okrokrapone deba. Mapia pass in the Kovacic. Anthony Nizanu wedi yellow card ke kopre. Wapabedi Hey, pass in man sano. Love run now control na fan Sulia. Ababedi Brozovic. She. Oh, Brazil for us on my bema Croatia. On
my bema.
Strategy one.
Yeah, a strategy now. One more at the players it is the timer and one more branch of friend Gabriel Jesus. This is a game for Gabriel Jesus. Why? Because the time Oshe minutes aka and even probably extra time I ever qua. Oshe 18-yard box of Croatians now. One more defenders, you know. Say tiredness kakra etumi aba banka uhia a forwarder obetumi ekura ball forwarder obetumi dribble now ye hu sa ne omani nyina from Neymar and the likes and no uhia anka Gabriel Jesus obetumi ama say ejuma now he is not available and one more obetumi abo no anasisi ayewo e wo say one more enye very and Croatia one ana make an say system no any the occasion no the knockout stages e world cup no one more tiase ehun bo ehun say dey manage game no to expectation a one set go a one set the ama one in every single game a one ball one call break and first 45 minutes you know partner one the be mu in some idea one the bad game mu I think say no an come out in the second half one konya pep talk our dressing room from their technical men one the remu in the second half it is one pair and a woman nim dia one share in this very half say one pe we nefi now when one more draw aqua extra timer, I think they also rely on one more any players now. But I think say still even in the extra time, me when you say enko penalties are BBI clear say still now me a very confident say Brazilians you know and I won't be to me one off chance be I won't be to me I say and I don't ever make a difference you know. Whether if Sebe call in the extra time and I say BBI yes that is where I mean say in the extra time we be to me abua in the midfield me share ni say anka Tite ebe to me de Bruno Guimaraes eba be Lucas Paqueta no no so to me aba be boa in the forward passing pass bi anko ye hu Casemiro o ma passes bi akọ animo bi hu abrante friend of Paqueta ono so send passes allocate players no the system of play o share wingers a wo de wo mobile game ni mu a enya ade ayefa enti Vinicius ene Richarlison no nyina bai no ejuma ne ntumi amfa but wo share Anthony enso ene Rodrigo a wo mobile ne ntumi amfa because Juranovic any abrante friend Sosa wo motumi handle wo mo wingers na wo mo na ye wo mo channel or surprise goals Brazil e she ni nyina no from the left and the right hand side and another thing before this tournament ankasa Brazil squad no adeba akwa na yehu any baby na ehu pa na me hu se baby wo mo fall short pa no wo mo defense apart from the central pair Thiago Silva any Marquinhos Correa apart from these players you know one more left and right back ni nyina papa bi anim wo mu ni bi eno ne ma the opportunity ma Dani Alves ni mu nyina to me buy in the game from the 90s eba be remu in the 2000 and the last time Brazil win World Cup no Japan Korea 2002 now more a certain Cafu a certain Roberto Carlos these are more offensive players modern day football players from them post players we no benya the Dani Alves the Marcelo and check it the modern day of football uhia full backs no se opese obetumi a she goals bebre a check 2 and 3 no womo na ne womo ye adwuma no but I don't think say even the likes of Everton no mo Fulham no mo crowd nowadays currently as we speak womo de Dani womo ka koto Danilo no mo crowd womo ba bobo game and yenim say Eder Militao more naturally with the central pair now automatically because of difficulties and womu ni obi obebo tu ne papa Dani Alves trust in said then you but right back and kasa de totally 100%. Why 0? Woman nibi enti or say woman force a player na woman fan mbo
and even with their left back on Alexandro injury,
yes,
and Alex Telles
Alex Telles even today these are not players a team like Brazil to me for one squad him if say anka one more materials and one more players Alex Telles, Alexandro, this player Danilo, they don't even fit for Brazil 50-man squad. So what I say, but situation I want to find oneself in, and I say, oh, when this anti I for one more, intina ne middle town able 2, intina ne Danilo unable 3. This player Alexandro Womunino, the last 3 years down the line, check Alexandro ni performance wa Juventus. Onye papa bia Alex Telles by Manchester United went to Miambo. Now even with Sevilla, Marcos Aquina no monebo was. Okay, 2-3 matches pa woman who in one started benching no. Sampa Liba you only be more because Acuna about be to know woman yadi. And I think say and only key problem if ringers no end to me and supply balls no in the 18-yard box. Woman to me in Croatia. In the modern day football, I need say you full backs na woman create more, assist more. Woman nibi. And I think say no the other face of problem woman face and end. Ama bibia ye basa in the midfield Casemiro enye Kevin De Bruyne, Casemiro enye Luka Modric, Abrante friend of Paqueta enye Eden Hazard, Abrante friend of Paqueta enye Toni Kroos. So these players the 10 and 8 yenim say woman more passes, woman more unlock a certain compact system. Woman dey unlock players, identify woman players, unleash woman ama womu to me punish the opponent no sa nyoma we nyina ya ade a eni womu ni bi makunyo yes Abrante friend Casemiro nye bi Abrante ye friend no Paqueta nye bi. The only player in the squad 26-man squad at Tedibe Premu, the only player onim sa ade ne ye yes obia was squad ni mu ene Brazil womu players e wo wiase nyina Abrante friend no Bruno Guimaraes ono so na coach no eni sa trust no e woni mu. So I think say enye easy ene Oche Juranovic, Bona Abrante Freno, Sosa. Me Magacho from the group stages I may running Croatia commentary. Magacho say me Luka Modric yes one more year because of one more year 3 and one more to one say but me Croatia 1-man player who you goalkeeper the last 2 games on so they you who ye pa Sosa no the best player for me ever Croatia from one more group stages and I think that one more modern bono one to handle the full backs and that of the wingers of Brazilians and no lead them to this stage.
And the referee Michael Oliver wapona be the game ni nyina bana wie ya Croatia ni 120 boy amasha say sa 2018 after some qualify from group quarter round of 16 120 minutes, quarter final 120 minutes, semi final 120 minutes and some call final. I feel so much after some qualify out of their group round of 16 120 minutes and then so yes I 120 minutes history ebe repeating one senior game ni nyana ba na wie
Ebeka say Croatia for no why you want to match Brazil for no we say from the group stage ayeba na Brazil for no na you who when you are the test of a team we say na we say na the one match and kasa want me a hodu Brazil for find it very difficult in the group stage. You say Brazil with goals. You do also you say na Brazil team the but you say na when you a team a bit 130 and then 130. Jama Brazil for find it very good. But sharp Brazil any more to so sharp than Croatia for no because we share chances are Brazil for now but share chance and we create here we create more and more in answer your target. But we share Croatia for now one more one target. It means that when you want to very difficult to beat me up against to the goalkeeper and I say Alison Becker so better but him just say Brazil for some one more sharp on with me you may be a who can crave you bet me and go. That's why I will share first half within 5 minutes not Brazil and go. Because when we say no, see to me answer to Croatia within 5 minutes was settled down. I find it very difficult. But go on to my men, you know, we say very Croatia for no some move back. I'll be some one ball. I was starting in the first half. No, into him was in the extra time I be going. Just say Brazil from me say in their first 5 minutes and after 10 minutes, let's make sure say you score a goal so that you last. Once you born no, okay, be a 1 goal penalty. Say 1 goal in be man, me tip say Brazil the best is a goal. So share ball now Brazil for no ball now. Won here go when I share feel and what dia we see one pia all the player midfielders and everything into the Croatian pool. Me say no you bet man go and Croatia for be one mistake. Now what they actually go. Into no match in a thing ama Brazil but like I say the way Brazil for no ball no we share in cash na one show say we here go. But Croatia for no ball ni na e wo midfield. I just say one attackers na intimate sharp ma one na edi won hama ama won si won win. Intimate just say yan share extra time no the best team to but again say na Croatia for no ball and see we team qualify to the next round and enya me one.
So Croatia qualifier and you want extra time and check. But shall see about 15. That guy was about 15. I'm far. Okay, Croatia extra time.
Yeah. I don't think these Croatians and one best system because everything is working perfectly for them. And from the onset, the very first minute, referee airborne away still who say one must take it together. A team very well. One more to one power point. I don't see them say one more be any change than they are now one more once and 90 minutes in the banny way. And they are maybe. The only thing up to them is one more be kill a few chances able to me about on their way, but then also 90 minutes and one dangerous chances by at the opposing half. I want to me per year, but I think they are to me a year, BB. And let's not forget say this Brazilians, one defense, aside everything, one is solid because we Danilo there or Wasa. But when Abrantia Freno, Militao, Thiago Silva, and Marquinhos in terms of defense, there one way solid and scoring 7 goals from the group stages up to this particular stage. One more concede just 2 goals, and the also and Croatia for so actually 5 goals, and so I concede 2 goals. So before one concede 2 goals, meaning say in terms of defensive solidarity, one way solid. In terms of me, if you want me Juma attack, and 2 goals in between them. Now we say no naturally say Brazilians an attack, a sharp kakra. But this Croatian side, it to me are containing with the attacking threat of the Brazilians up to date. The next 30 minutes, Yaba share the awamu so dweba. Obi bia kwa kunya pep talk from one more technical bench, one more deba, yenche hawa, one more be infuse on the field of play.
Ajwa, extra time.
I mean, Penano, ever told you, and no, because madam say this thing. Croatia knows how to play penalties. They can play extra any minutes given to them, just like the Japan team. 100 years ball game no and penalties so me expect to say Brazil best so that they don't go extra time and penalties. That was what I was saying. Penal. But enya pen or Qatar. And probably history can change. Things change. If it doesn't go according to the history of Croatia always playing 100 and whatever minutes and qualifying going forward, it can change. Maybe Brazil then they also can go forward. This when it comes to this type of game with this timer, this is when the coaches this is where we see them. Of course you would go home. Let's see how it goes.
Corner for Brazil. Yani pape na ninyi na be manke. Enye ni. Yani pape. Ana be ma. Ajinya me plastic chair. Ajua pokuya zunam. Oh, you heavy papa. Bad communication. Oh, the big breeze. Brekum Chelsea, head of communications. Ajua heavy. The big breeze. Man, who's on the boss of the tour? You see Croatia, Inko Joseph, Mr. Inko Joseph. Oh, you heavy. That's now draw Staffo. The man himself. Odro Safo. Can I join him be a Ukruma? Ajua the Bibris. Ukwa da Brukum Josene. Kotoko. So Wednesday, we might go from off. I see an abra kumas. A felt toss to be an ass here. Yeah, Menzo make comes on, you know, so that baby. Ah, then I'm moving my smile way. I've been at them. Ah, I want them about young Cantuamo, wine about. Share Anthony there, Obada for mo. Yeah, Obedi Kadu. Yeah, my Oliver Gina now I didn't know. I think I said, hi. Hey, oh, wait, I'm careful. You're training the natural form. Yeah. Hey, you bunukom. We na born on you 20 now, say quoi. Michael Oliver, hi, on your match D. We did not show say how you better go not that true. Alaba yon wapon. Yeah. Wapon kwen. Yam pon yo adwuma o. Friday. Bonaba the Croatia for from goalkeeper Livakovic. Wapia di ma branti ani di Antonade. Just cover your back to Livakovic. Bim Nation. Wa yidi afiriwo. Hey, atia fasunan to the Bianco Croatia brantia. Vadio, hey, defender no bobo say winga no. Osusu obi kama. Croatia, omo forwards no mo be mu de omo nye serious kura. Why? Petkovic, wakwe na fi ball no so momo. Anthony, yasan wo na se obiem. Abrantie Sosa. Okachi Anthony say unu ma go bi sa Rafinha. De ntia Tite yi ni film. E kan so man ba ku mienu. O de se sia na osun. Usu kura na me yo. Anonyo ma Sosa auto. Na ka bede na yo ya. Wanye osi bede na yo ya. Yeah, Brazil. Abrantie Adam Militao se na waye ni nika ne de. Opiapia akonsoro na. Ade ne sinse Musa. Why never Brazil benkum so Danilo. Ah. Probably I can't. We not kind. I said people like this, no hope. Hey, oh, there be Neymar Krobia with the sank yellow card. Edman Neymar, share Krobia, share Neymar. Oh, there be silly tackle. Totally unaccepted in association football. I think say Neymar, yeah, I'm a frustration at 13. Oh, yeah, I'm a frustration at 13. But this is football. Do we be a say I never corner? Koni say a nyabu phone yantokwa. I'm say Michael Oliver Ohu yanka. Obaye no boko no yi red card as ah obo say na ni danger baby. Oyi no boko no dey actually say Merry Christmas. Why never Luka Modric appear pass na chucho why. Abrantie Petkovic na Sanfa abedi Brazil. Amuso dey come finfi Lucas Paqueta oda suji na bo nim. Hey. Anatiti o wani foforo. Hey, Anthony, what so fa or the boneba Anthony. Ah, yes, go to Ajan. I know. Or the Tuntuna Tarichi Brazil, Bonabedi Rodrigo Guas. Hey, Obede, Bonisaya, Danilo, Wacrosio, Debbie, Yegidia Frua, Croatia Nebano. Hey, ya Jeffrey some boy no nye serious. Some ka se me nyini ni. Me ka se me nyini ni. Petkovic me nyini ni. Bonabedi Anthony be cross yana wa cross yo. Neymar Kosumobi referee to aso. Bonin say Neymar up 1-2. Hey, ya Yefruwa. What a game! Anthony. Obviously, your children or Sosa, Papa. Hey, where do you know? Sosa say, okay, we shall see. Anthony. Remember, man, Croatia neba Brozovic. Wateni fair na to referee Michael Oliver. Hey, onibodi yo. Obi say obi show bi anim. Michael Oliver, I just found fair. Brazil for ne kasa on show bi akura nim. Modric apia de ama hwan. Abrantia ne den enso no ade. Brozovic obeto pass na ne pass na nko Brozovic wabre. Nanso bia ni akira obeba. Kovacic oko so bia se kura guo. Why? Alexandro returning from injury to Oba. Oh, said Danilo. I told you, oh, man, no. Yeah, you know, from that, Obini will be catching at the number 2. I saw Baba. Enter Brazil by another substitution. Alexandro Bebem. Ponabedi Brazil, Marquinhos, and the Pony Power. Jemudiama. Abrantiani and Sonade Danilo. Osandia Quetri. Adiama Marquinhos BM. Marquinhos de Abre, Thiago Silva de Master. Master Kukrapone Thiago. Or Janimo Diama Marquinhos. Marquinhos Esodiaba Ben Kumafem. Ediama Danilo. Danilo to Nema. Bede Wawaso Diama Danilo BM. Danilo dia call center circle ni Fafemwa Diama de Master. Thiago Silva Sandia Bre Nema BM. Nema to Rodrigo Guez, Rodrigo Betchia, wa cross yo! Hey! Paquita no da sujina bo ni mukra mentiasie. Rodrigo Adainitisa. Cross on by Nanka Rodrigo achiche. Abrantia ni den enso de Lucas Paquita. Nanso na mfamfama no born ye go kick ya born in tempa so de free ha oh Croatia ya born 99 minutes ani abo Croatia ya yidi free bona be di Brazil ya beje fa na referee waje foul Kovacic mia sokra Mike Oliver Shana na maka Mr. Bean Shanu say concert Benede Baba Brazil na the ball ba Thiago Silva Brazil for fem Pempia bono so kakra ba hot oven na idea Brazil for am jajo munya hot oven bro do ibi Hot Oven of La Construction, K. Asarian Company Limited, Loma Vista IPS, Samsung Executive Pub, Ready Food, Otomo Enterprise, Omunina Kurayemu, and Sunyameya Oforua Chop Bar. Forua Kenevia Day. I'm asking Ganga Granzania Goofy. Munipaya. Gikemi, and Yamuya. Anthony too. Edamita back to Anthony. Wasa pia boni de akwechire. Ode akoma the master Thiago Silva wa cross the ball no ha. Rodrigo okobo bicycle kick yeah. Goalkeeper Livakovic wa chebo no adaya. Ochire Pedro ze obo no maza mfa. Ochebo no ordinary atofo no ordinary nefura chire so na ball no danebo. Hey! Livakovic, Chile Club Football Adama Dynamo Zagreb, El Croatia. Yantua game no so aka 4 minutes. Na ofedi ka wa extra time ni mabana wie ye. Bona babedi. Why? Di Jan Rovrin wa mana koko so sade banim wa pia pass na fam finfin. Bona bedi Vlahovic or the body pa Vlahovic. Vlasic rada to Sosa to Perisic and to Jamudiama Luka Madrid to Kovacic. Hi Croatia wa box mo Croatia Debbie Bonapim Abedi Brazil Anthony Adia Febel time Adam Vitao okay Lego Brazil, hey, ya tia swadi amane nema. Croatia fweni abre. Croatia neba. Croatia on serious player ba pet coverage. Hey, we would have box in more. Croatia le pass the Croatia. Hey. Oh, that be Brozovic. Pet coverage a year Jumanina from Benkum so Chini Bamianu, Miansa, and 9 LA pass no Bimnesi. But watching baby cry, the Brozovic of a penalty. No. Croatia, Marcelo Brozovic.
Yeah. Rona or Bono, they are more like defenders. And the baby are born one sometimes one more referee say or no opposing box muna wabon bang. So I think that you will be forfeited for we idea or the take bono. But yanka to say Perisic no mu be ni idea nanka. Sometimes wait to me blame me one more match. But Brozovic Jumaiki why you won't feel no I think that the name kura ni idea will go into no I no be to me abonani. Though chances in this any bar that is when the way I want to defend the year day and I want to mean a goal. I think that minutes I can want to to me defend the year against the Brazilians. But the way I want to maybe now a Kobani say chance I went to me and utilize no Obinya maybe ana to me their punish. It was a glorious opportunity for Abrante friend Brozovic, but it was quite an opportunity. No?
It was a big opportunity, Marcelo Brozovic now so bim about to be Anthony if you see complaining. Abedi Nema Akasima Bakona Oferica was short time na banabiye. Why? Rodrigo betu chana. Wadano fefe Rodrigo. Wasana no bi. Rodrigo bapia na mawai. Abrantia de ha. One no. Yeah. Danilo. Bobo na to evukra. We na can trademark but they say wasan. Uko pien FC Porto. Danilo jina center crop ball shot ebese. Answer nei. Bema Emre. Bema Danilo Emre. Menim di inter tite besem se mbo first chani wi ansana. Alexandra ba. Modric. Atomo de wontra na wonhwe me de ball na ba. Ya ball pa he anko. Ball na bedi Brazil Rodrigo. Ade anwode foforo bi aba Brazil animo. Ball na bedi Casemiro. Now so born in say Brazil whenever Edamilita or say Danilo Abobi amensumi Bobobi ya twa na hwewo now so referee say to Anthony Obemu or Tete Sosa papa now so Sosa wagina ne nan so Anthony referee di sima ba ko na de atoso 105 minutes referee di sima ba ko na atoso Croatia fo nyina da so se urade I've got penalties. How could I that bonnet? Brazil so penalties almost said I had yet. Neymar Debbie Neymar. Yes, the poster boy. But Bogoni Brazil and it's a goal. Brazil at what ready kind Croatia 0 Brazil 1 senior.
Ege, make actually we say born here but just one goal pen elbow because we shall born now Brazil for now Brazil when we so sharp say when you go be say and panso and I could for now a Germany na but long last one goal na say we born na Brazil for no aye no intino kudos to Neymar say what major announce na what match say goal
Brazil at what na Croatia the poster boy rising to the occasion.
Yeah, yes. When the going gets tougher, this is where and when we hear players as Neymar say one boy to me rise to the occasion at a very difficult moment like this. You expect anything magical from any other player than the poster boy in their midst. And Neymar Silva Jr. So can also I think that he is the best this crop of players are more on the field for both us. He is the best amongst them. But I think that now the way the system Croatians in Bono and no entirely the team anyhow Brazilians and so to me are managing team. I think that both teams actually quality. Very good game, very excellent 90 minutes. I to me and the next 30 minutes so I enjoy a very good game. The first 15 minutes I think say also another good game to me I enjoy so far. Chances in the both of them womanya a moment Brozovic just squandered that glorious opportunity, and now you can never blame anything in football than say unya or chances now ube to me make good use of it. That one touch play in between the defense of Croatia from Brazilians attack, I think say one more to me about home, and when giving such rooms to attacking threat of Brazilians, you would always get punished, and I think say that is exactly what they've done. One would deserve it from their half, because as much as say Croatians and phone so about meaning say one more ABB strong, and the more now Croatian for about say one so ABB strong, the same applause and so to say common Brazilian, because upon all the threats, upon all the boy Croatia for now bono, they've also made sure say and ya don't leave any room for the Croatians to for them to punish them. And now Yambo woman so abaso one more keep a very good hold of them, one more defensive setup, one more to me especially the central pair of Thiago Silva and Abranta a friend of Marquinhos Correa and that of Danilo Numone Militao Numina in the midfield. One mun share down you Juma midfield ne de one more leave BBA Ediama Croatians and one munya bona one more wing play left right one more making sure some penetrating. And now the big boy at the tougher stage, very difficult moment. The entire team are finding themselves in one more to me Remo. Neymar one player one more him said this time round obey to me the one more call the glory land, because in 2014 I one host he was the man then. That time FC Barcelona a team now one more chase a golden generation at the Brazilian team a golden generation one more to me that time I'm a few players women you need to me retire. Dani Alves no more modern bon can be Marcelo no more be to me every team. So I think that this is the time my name will be to me ABB and the manager Leonardo Tite. That time we from 2016 the day Jumane man on board Papa Bia and farmer Brazilians we need 2019 Copa America. From there in 2021 Ulusu to Argentina, and say Ulusu to Argentina is like Kotoko losing a trophy to Hasselhoff and Hasselhoff losing a trophy to Kotoko. Definitely fans and they are one of the best spell, and I dare she woman's Rumukrano losing the Copa America for the second time to Argentina. Now from then, Obabe PMO 2018 Russia, Newman Konkan will lose to the golden generation of Belgium over the quarterfinals. And we know the last time one more man the opportunity, even Okoye runner up over this tournament as a crana go a penny for to me as because the trademark of Brazilian football, woman national team no edume to say woman 22 years down the line, woman to me winning World Cup and there was a Brazilians a bit to me also. So on one kasa to on name so person ye BB na ejuma so enye intact. I think that he can never leave anything here than so belu obesin lusu in a quarterfinals, but rather a song kunko nenimuna ultimately ontumenko winning trophy and former Brazilians, and I know say the Brazilians they are in for the trophy this time round say and they are Brazil from 2002 Europe now Argentina yebeka womode ewo enyumre, because these are two teams womu ekuta South America come football et say womu so make sure say womu be rise to the occasion, because nyina no say kwa Europe and okay we share the last 8 teams here womu bo quarter finals na Brazil nkun ekura World Cup on 5. The other 7 teams in nyina also combined womu so kura 5. And I think that for now the BBH let's say womu na one more konkodin ko manima one more to me winning trophy one more modern mono konkan. So now down to Croatians how they would also use this the last 15 minutes to react to the first goal one more to me concede.
En fait, toss me an extra time as I say Brazil 1 Croatia 0. The poster boy waboko ni Neymar waboko ni diama Brazil ha mbachro Modric was standing with passing him, sending idea you Croatia for beam. I don't be him. Could be him baby in swear. As I say. Who could be him baby as I say. Croatia yan sachra Brantan ni Kovacic wa free mama Maje enzo abem force Maje pa Maje abem free kick ni Croatia na se Alexandro nso abem ababeyi Eda Militao Samson and Fred ano nso ababeyi Lucas Paqueta Croatia na pa mutumbotu maboni se na Croatia Fred de opre Abagina nuso Apaberi Croatia Abrantia Maje wapia da bam finfili ama Abrantia Valdio to Ivan Perisic Benkuma fem Perisic wa cross yo Dabi Boni say Luka Modric went to manfa ye be ma be yebi dance wa me ni nyina Bema beye bi nanzo ameye ni nyina. Ane ne ma go say no. Wa ikuo world play ni record say highest goal scorer at Brazil. Tinema 77 goals at Brazil world play so 77. Nti amafo breaking record say World Cup yi mu. Olivier Giroud da yen de. De ma so twen so be. Croatia born abedi goalkeeper Livakovic. Wapia pass in the ama Valdio back to Livakovic. Pedro be paba. Croatia na the born pa. Brazil say back say Croatia so more mo de. Croatia Abrantie Maje pass na corner so born in say. Love there was two. Abedi Brozovic na de ball pa center circle wapia de ama Sosa fa ball no fe ano so jamu de ama Luka Modric master Jeffrey Oprio Abedi Brozovic to Ivan Perisic across here Croatia Brazil na bano Nema nanso Valdio Ima be dinze mhunu pa o. Ima ko twa de okra. Twa no. Yentwa game no so. Croatia Bonabedi Luka Modric. Aka 12 minutes. Na game no nyina ba no wie ye. Ivan Perisic for Croatia. Pia pass no Luka Modric. Say me say Fred opre. Ya 10 na man atna form. Fred opre papa. Modric at 10 na manatana from a corner. A corner, ya botia. What you want so? Ya botia. Brazil Luka Modric. Ono na jina Bonachi corner kick. Croatia san yan sachraye. Akuise Mandzukic. Me just answer no akofa. Croatia yan sachraye. Sosa Bonan Sosa Wafrim Ama Badime Anuso abem Badime abem Ababeyi Bonan Sosa Corner ya boni tempa so Bonabedi Marcelo Brozovic to Maje sa Pierre Ama Brozovic biem Anthony ya Bonabatiza unje. Croatia, born inside Croatia. Oh yeah, love him penalty. Atia faso. Nema, they wa say they onya hwibi em say ah. They ma lusu ball no. Abo odu ko wani manka. Bibi be fi ma Born away the Croatia. Brozovic. Or the ball neighbor center circle to Luka Modric. Or Shisho Bidiaman Luka. Or Jamuriama Vadio so Shisho Bidiaman or San Jamuriama Modric beam. Modric better pass nana. What to pass no now so that be born inside Beam Nation. Brazil Yidia free war. Ababedi Dijan Lovren, Sergeant forward. Dijan. Wa cross the ball no Yay, Uncle Way, short pa. Referee, what the foul? Referee Mike Oliver, me say no, but didn't ever back we have fear. What was it? As I say. Thiago Silva da from heading at the go. Name I go no send there fe. 1-2 sa. 1-2 sa. Keep up fe. That's say roof na say. Hey, go ni buy there. A man for film, farmer man for pa. The poster boy. 77 goals na wase. Eri ama Brazil. 77 goals na name I said ama Brazil. Bonabedi center circle. Abrantia Rodrigo wa presa kwa kucha. Rodrigo akucha hot oven offla Keasari and company. Samson and Sunyamiye chop pa Loma Vista IPS Otomo Enterprise Executive Pub Enrop Enterprise Brackets in Major Pharmacy Concept Foods and Nei Omunyana Boa Ready Foods Sansona the Triple H Higher Heights Hotel Omunyana Taechi Croatia Paris Saint-Germain boy and fancy born here go kick. Born here go kick. Hey, Anthony natural wadi. Agusha Martinez. Chama. Croatia science attrabium Marcelo Brozovic. What penny dues? I know bet my nyina bema be ye bi no amay ni nyina wa frim ama Abrantia Osich nso abam nya ostrich Osich abam Mislava Osich wabam 29 years na Abrantia na di ano so ball Croatia de ma Dinamo Zagreb. The pattern team brand say yeah the number wins. Yeah, ha, share. Brazil fans no. Mama share Jamapa ni Soloku. Akwaye ojina change am say no tu aba. Jama ani Soloku. Omuchi Soloku pa. Yeah, lines man open ajo offside yeah. Yeah, Lisa. Brazil fans in the Soloku. Omuchi. Emano de mamano sa. Omo de chomo sa. No omuchi. Ezane say go aba. Nema. Oh, Nema gagai. Bon de onimbo na won fa gagai. Ti say crepin the attack. No one for sending born to gagai. Nema yese ana mama kai. Oyina ukuba ji ya wi ono beji jesi na kwa akwesi. Butu no so baba foforo beji akọ horo aba. Beji fans na sa. Sene Brazil for no bono. Croatia for no tika. 5 more minutes to go. Brazil 1, Croatia 0. Croatia nepa ya yedi asinsemo. Ha. Lovely. Oh, it's serious there. What to baby? Adwa. Croatia 0, Brazil 1. Aka 4 minutes.
It's very, very unfortunate. Say, Bola Croatia, it had to take the star boy Neymar to break the virginity of the game. And as I said, this stage is the big boys in Ekasa. And I think Brazil prevented the penalties, as I said from the beginning, say if you want to win this game, try not to get to penalties because your opponents are very good when it comes to penalties in team. I'm sure.
Croatia! Equalizer over Croatia! Awatiomuka! Mamma mia! Oh! What a game! What a game! What a game! Croatia! Amatikana! I'm going to bench. Oh! Substitution Ayajuma! Croatia! Amatika!
Yeah. Okay, game no. I think that a drawn game no. Still na a 50-50 game. As much as say you can say now the Croatians no prevent the attacking threat of Brazilians. You know how sharp one more players no in terms of attack one more year and one more to me say Jumano at for 90 good minutes. And in the first 15 minutes of the extra time, one more elusive concentration, and that brilliant play from the Brazilians, or the 18-yard box of Croatia. True name, individual brilliance, any how only players exchange passes in their box, one to me shegu, or in the name of say defensive line, one more making sure say any idea. One more let down any player in the box. And to me no. And just after they go no, say they were not Brazilians no, able game no. Just after one more go no, I think say as if say there's nothing at stake. One more game no, it won't be delayed time. One more nyabona, one more pre. But with the attacking nature of Croatia no, now one more that form say home say or going through the unsuro kind into no. That time when I will be a game minimum, and I think that it has paid off for them. Said their football, and with game of my bonnet, sending football. Say wow, possessive ball, wow, more of the ball, wow, creating more chances in this annual mano. I think that to me a Juma now, and 1-1 a well deserved for each side, and Croatia won't deserve it because one more reaction. It was second half, no said I can say in the second half. Of the extra time, yes, how I want to be react to that particular goal in the first 15 minutes, Brazilians, and that is exactly what they've done. Croatia, the Croatian team, how we know in the world football.
118 minutes, Croatia 1, Brazil 1. Ha! What a game! Abrantia Petkovic, what a Canadian Croatia. 1-1, game on. Jantuaso. Croatia bench no be agina na so Brazil bench no be akwa transi. What a game. Neymar afedi okeka no hwe. Ana ba be serious. Ani bra ba Lovren Takashipa. Lovren zini me chano. Modric ani abre o se hwe. Mo se ba be ye ko se kura. Now, so referee, Mike Oliver, I say sign for ball, nebra. I want to kakre, you won't come up penalty. 119 minutes, 1 more minute. Near quarter preko. Croatia neba, Maze. This is the same force match. Obey Juma kakra. Bonabedi Modric, Croatia, Luka Modric to Maze Piadia Mawai. Hey. Croatia, Aqueno Babo shot. One shot! Nabi! Mama pressure. Hey! Croatia! A good year! Angabrantia Maze, or you number 2. Angabrazo, Angobia Badaya. Yeah! Referee 2 minutes in the Atoso. 120 in so. Maybe I do the 5 to so. I come to you, Masa. Oh, Brazil baby girl, so my guy solo kuno, oh my guy solo kuno. Oh, you be trying to pay. Anthony Nabano, Brazil, Anthony, Obede. Yeah, we're trying to start a throw code to be a trying to say the not to work. You're trying to say, Mike Oliver, I say my Jeff on Kwachi. Mike Oliver. Hey, what a game! What a game! Croatia 1, Brazil won. Extra time in the as soon referee 2 minutes. I bomb one aka one. And you free kick at my Brazil. Brazil hoping and praying on my cross some fingers. This must go in. And an Empire Brazil ball. Name managing a bonnet. Foul no and a free kick in the Danny far from a coconut like what? Brazil Neymar. Brazil David Borisaya. Brazil. What a save! What a save from Petkovic. Hey. Oh, Petkovic. Hey. Oh, Mamma Mia. Croatia for this soon. What's the right day? Oliver Kahn. Wakai Brano the poem to my Germany. Abrantia Petkovic. Hey. Boy, it will be far more to him. It will be far more to him. Anka Croatia. Croatia, Mrewenaba. Brazil, Maba, and Susu. Oh, Croatia. I'm a Kai Press woman class. I'm tired. I'm to my busy. Damn it. I know we shall go picnic. Referee 2 minutes in your house. So, Ababuana. Why? Referee Michael Oliver. Abona bendi game ni nyina ba na wie ha Croatia omo ya bad pa 120 biem omo ba wie adwa 1-1 penalties.
Messi Krobia. AK. Simple and short. Share. Good game. Extra time. Great tactics from both coaches, players. Just a short message. May the best team wins. It's penalty time. May the best team wins. Asan. And no one am worker. Why? I've enjoyed every bit of it. May the best penalty taker wins. Simple and short.
Krobia, penalties.
Penalties. You know, say Croatians, you know, from the very first time. In some do donani ya can't for one more approach or one more they buy into the game, especially when you were knockout the knockout phase one more to me actually, and indeed one more the Croatian thing that we know about them say one more to me penalties and in world football you say when it comes to penalties Brazilians winning penalties but where I'm your problem kakra penalties are penalty there obi bia win the only penalty bokra no bibi to me manu win so and one mon kobo but see share Newman 1 or 2 before the penalties. I think say baby ebeko chim kakra dia ma Brazilians ni say onim say one more players no skillful one more penalties no ebo but instead of say one more be take sport na one makono because of sa samba play nature that one skill set always be a one dream obi be na dwe kra so ka kobo panenka say what I say obi be na dwe kra so ka kobo penanka o ka ko two penalty be fena at the end of the day obi make the headlines sa nyoma we ni ade edu baby Brazilians no follow one short because players need it naturally one kuta the natural gift of in terms of free kicks yen share direct free kicks yen share penalties wo munimbo. But problem ni nyaaye as to say always be an one more in the name of skill and this is when I want you na bend nowhere. But for the Croatians that we know from 2018 knockout phases no more penalties is one more qualify on 3 occasions in knockout stages penalties in Goa. This time round one more start round of 16 one more mayen ba kodada. One more winning, one more penalty shootout or round of 16. In the quarterfinals, one more get it. They are one more share in the with a sound called penalty CBO. And Tian share how this time round so Ebeko Ejama won. So one more continue one more journey of say knockout stages. One more the penalty say to me qualify now. I think they will do for them. And only baby I'm here, mommy. With them kakra say Croatia be to me we need this. So me predict one more na me who say won't be to me we need because they will go all out. Or say na was no, but one more be take your spot one more call. But Brazilians, you know, Neymar, you know say Neymar, be able to say Neymar no jina bo nature and say, but a GB dan team ni send up person she go ne fan eno nko bia na ono ni momusu ni obi a obekwa sa eno ni the only problem ame wo. But when it come to say Croatia ne Brazil ekobo penalty there and on paper bibia chese Brazilians no ebe win so but say wo mu take sa dey na way na wo mu coin say be biedu no we ni chance bia for extra time bia bio nti ye Brazil target in 22 years ye nje trophy ni bi that there be yen to me affording yes our mistakes we then players ni na call said they are normal penalties too. I think say it will do well for the Brazilians.
Okay, senior quick one na cover penalties.
Okay. Send an cano from the start. I be my say Croatia for no war plan and what do bobo no. We say tankuya go ni bury no opin e be play go. Tizenka DJ say second half ni mun nka kanu ko buye man ke beti anya go but ni na etima kwaye draw ya kwa hwe penalty. We say na send na kwa bia kano from last 4 years penalty ya Croatia for ni gure mu e we no. Baby obedu bia no it will make sure say obehye go and as edu penalty sport na obetimi akal de na wade akọ say sa like ne be ye adwuma ma wade ne be ka so be kal de na wade akọ but all those to Brazil say ne kan say Brazil say ba football penalty na wo ya de ntino the best team no to win this game.
Okay, penalties no 5 minutes to ase to ase na un fili ay penalties any about ball. Brazil goalkeeper Alisson Becker, Samsona Livakovic goalkeeper of Croatia, Michael Oliver from one Medin Como, Obi channel say, yeah man, you be sure which we are. Maybe I doing there, anybody has come. Croatia na kwa kobo, one no. Abratia Vlasic, Abayu Kuha, Abel Muncha, Ono kwa kobo, Vlasic versus Alisson. Oh, refuge, wow, Bakumianu, go! What's that? Vlasic and Sonny for Fefe. About to Fifi Alisson, other baby cry. The coach been a catcher and we got them. I say, Martin, I told you I didn't have penalty bar. Fatum Fifi, we had them keep a better on. I told him I was it. I told Fasun, hey! Rodrigo Guas never bought. Nima, could you not chili train? You do so now. Oh, but name my bumper, yo. See, I would have day. Only my one day, Abraham, I am now, and then you man name at all. Rodrigo, Onuna Baba Bama Brazil. Rodrigo Gues, Bagumi Mensa. What's no? Ha! Rodrigo Seno, once again, Livakovic. Goalkeeper of Croatia and then so was such a penalty. Hey! Oh! Hey, Mr. Barcelona, man told Livakovic I meant here. Against a year for Japan, a penalty straight. And that first penalty, watch it. First match. Brazil about one, almost say no. Croatia about one, almost Croatia be bomb second penalty. Croatia be bomb second penalty. Abrantia Maza. Nice fine boy Maza. Vimno wasro. Bakumi Mensa. Go! What's it? Or they are 250. And Grofo advice pow. Or they are 250. Me say penalty ne unim mo kra na do stage we are. Fatum Fifi over say Croatia about 2, almost 2, Brazil almost 1, almost say no, almost bomb second penalty. Casemiro, ha, Casemiro ne baba Casemiro, wanya botre kra Casemiro, what's it? Livakovic, ohun direction no nanso amfa. Entino Croatia about 2, almost 2. Brazil about 2, almost 1. Hey, Livakovic na power home. Penalty there offer sport and now the power account. Croatia na baba why? Luka Modric na baba the third penalty kick. Ediama Modric, Morocco, Croatia. Croatia about 2 almost 2 third penalty Modric na ba be bo obesa na Baku mienu mianta Modric wase watuale sina tu baby kura hey Modric watuale sina tu baby hey wase Croatia mabo 3 almost 3 Sansuna Brazil about 2 almost 1 Pedro and Baba Brazil akwe betuma over the bar Shana boy charity Shana so obetuma over the bar Brazil na bo Pedro Pakumi anumiansa hi what a penalty atuki bana to baby ko so asa mfimfin wa baby sa no Brazil about 3 almost 2 Croatia about 3 almost 3 Solo na kana ase ne be ya Croatia be se no kra na na ye pe no asem ma hu bi da ebetuma ba se o last year mo bo agu ebetuma ba se Croatia last year mo bo agu Croatia coach wa fam assistant coach oba no anu mu gina ho Abranti oba mu nja Mislav Osic ne ma pompa ye se urade bo se no Osic for Croatia referee bona ben ba kumienu miansa wase hi ya go Osic ase solo kan ese ne be ya Croatia be se no kra ya asem Croatia bo penalty sene and 9-4 almost 4 ni nyina Brazil about 3 almost 2 almost 1 Brazil na bo hey Marquinhos na ba be bo Marquinhos na ba be bo they say pressure ni Croatia so cause in the last one was saying no kra na pressure ni no so Brazil must score and Croatia last penalty as well Messi Marquinhos referee bona by ojina wodi osana Brazil afrim hey Waseno Brazil Brazil afrim Mamma mia. Yes, this is football. This is what we call football. Full of surprises, full of uncertainties, and full of shock, emotions. Brazil afrim. Ha, Croatia yamobo. Croatia soon. Oma winning so musu. Brazil afrim. Ha. Neymar. Senior.
Okay. I'm say Croatia for never see a question wrong because I say in the ball in the football no I'm say Croatia for no what group stage I'm say one aim when they say let's put to the penalty so I say young penalty but I qualify from last 4 years they did the same thing they did the same thing and I what the winning oh yeah this season now once year ball just wake up once year ball 2 penalty and once qualify to the next stage. I say you can Brazil for no next time one number 4 years but edu baby now was saying Kanema ebe shego no and what pobi oba be shego because abo ye say Kanema na ebo so that ebe bua won ama film naba but I say opela abo 2 no yo intino I was make sure say what ba me say I was go to Croatia for because one aim or plan what the ball no edu penalty a yebetimi qualify for penalty nti yembo na nko penalty ana edi abo a wetimi dey qualify kudos to Croatia for say wetimi qualify to the round of 4
Krobia
yes
enya ye di no wajim
enya ye mfa ne ho njim ye because on say on paper no there but enya ye mfa ne ho njim ye say this tournament
on the side of Brazil
yes on the side of Brazil because one abre for 5th consecutive time Brazil akọ World Cup one more every 5th consecutive time. I think that this is something unacceptable from the Brazilians because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive time Brazil the highest I want to me akọ 2014 one more host one more also 4th. So I think that let themselves down, but womu be share a team. This is a team 4 years back, no, or ball finals. They were up against a runners up, and this is a team who are the last 5, and I said 4 occasions that will walk up in European teams and the Brazil with him. 4 occasions in European teams from France, Netherlands, Germany, Belgium, and now Croatia. So I idea that what BBI say Mumodimbo against the European teams this time and Konkai and Yadia Konkai. Now again, I think that this is something Timuno, especially first manager Leonardo Tite and Yadia to so to Milan de Crampo Brazil. Or say Neya or no Ankasa post match or kono on final resignation announcement and to work because Mimi when say on ye or moi national team nimu ye. And nobody on the first World Cup 2018 Lucia in the quarter final and second successive time quarter finals. On to mean semi final this Brazilian team. Check it 2018 squad that one more the quay. Not check it next squad that one do room. I think say any idea acceptable by any other football nation. So it is now done for the Brazilians, you know. But Croatians, you know, enjoy. Croatians, you know, enjoy one more moment. And me dinkan kan in the first half say me shey say football. Ebe kanu no kware pepe dia. This is the time I was say Croatia sa football adeno say yes na football be kan no kware a Croatia's 10 say we must be winning World Cup for the first time because me when say nothing should change this trend. Me nothing anopa we me da ho ma chinya na by na me be ya kwan su he ya me mo bi we so or the 280 dia NNH say me the man said 90 minutes on far on Croatia double chance because almost can so but one team said yet in the and ya Brazil bet me win the game in 90 minutes and I think say nipa no corner say no tie me so the obe so ampa no mafa okay football be can career anopa we me da ho it is about all Croatia sad na ato aso aye me sa it is about all Croatia wo me team say it is time it is Croatia and so into me win World Cup for the first time. Yes, woman winning. You know, me are very impressed about one more than boy and many ajama wom. Said I manage Morocco no. I think say many ajama wom very pa me kumemu pa because me that's already na Croatia.
Okay.
And kudos to them. Okay, what my juma.
Okay, kudos to Croatia. Oh my jwa 30 seconds na yankofa news no. News. 7 p.m.
History has repeated itself.
Yeah.
Brazil do not take this game to penalties. Yeah. They did. Yeah. They got punished. That's football. Beautiful football. Let's meet at Argentina versus Netherlands.
Fantastic. Senior. Quick one yanko.
Okay. Sene na yakano. Me say Croatia for in this tournament and what tournament I will plan what about tournament in terms say a work perfect for them. Engineer was say will be an enemy so make sure say in the 90th minute I say when you go because when you go when you're very careful they will punish you to the extra time. No one call away extra time no do penalty would say well goalkeeper at least in the penalty bet match one penalty. Now so actually one more than say na ampa na show no o che no one say one penalty na what the team qualify to the next. You say next round no yen hwe ne one so bet my kudos to Croatia say one team qualify. Now no Brazil would near ba need me say Osha squad in the group stage goes so share ni ade me say at least can have to go be flow but one challenge say World Cup no is obi ehun bo internet fan won players and players we Brazil players ni we good one when so do cause it tankwa we share go ni nku ball no say na nka we first half and second half na nka we team dey poor but what the ball be dey agodi say we wie and what dey happen say one dey FMT no one corner next 4 years one time be
one corner next 4 years one time be Brazil and they are out of the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. South Korea say Croatia I qualify at the air comment. Okay, Facebook I see good work done. Or command radio sounds now with about more fire or fair marks was a great commentary. Keep it up. When so they need their boss Croatia 3 Brazil 1 now so I'm banning sir. Yeah, quarter cover news at 6. Now 7 p.m. Share Okuman Arena, the forecourt of Okuman, Ubabana giant screen this year, as you say, Konya, come. Now, so I bet the match between Netherlands and our Finsuno, Argentina. But anyway, dear, Brazil, Elusu 4-2 on penalties. Brazil, out of the World Cup. Cynthia, 7 p.m. Muchum.